One teacher will come in the morning, another will come in the evening, and another will come at midnight, including kindergarten teachers. He also says it is voluntary and will be implemented gradually. Ewurade Nyankopɔn. Ladies and gentlemen, I am determined to make a difference, a positive difference. I will work for you and with you, with honesty and integrity, with wisdom and decisiveness. Gradually, Ewurade Nyankopɔn. Ladies and gentlemen, I am determined to make a difference, a positive difference. I will work for you and with you, with honesty and integrity, with wisdom and decisiveness.
Abujanfo, mesan church mo bi mo fan cheme. Sa na me sound renye. De asida kese pa ma me ma me Esther Kebari ma se o ma me alert in 10 times sound renye. So we are beginning from now. Me ma me Esther Kebari ma me ma kwa ba panya dofo a ma ba nyina. Ma me minum so ho ye. Abujanfo video ya ye boy say utie video no ya utimu say doctor meant a lot. Sa video we. Sa abre na ye campaign no. Senka Ghana fo nyantobase tie papa we ne nsem o kan wo video keto just 1 minute video we mo a se nyantobase tie asem no digeste no kama mene ho ntasuro ewurawura ye mu edwene ho da sori ye mane ye fentimented ansananka ye take decision a enka ene ma ene ye famu ye man no mu ene no due to mismanagement and a lack of competence at the leadership position. Family. Say, as a man, I can't sound on you. Oh, say, indirectly, say, I dream, no. Many a times, or mokasa, they speak in dynamics, or moka semba it means a lot. Even Dr. Bawumi. So ti asema papa Dr. Bawumi aka ye ya. Nyansani bi oti asemu ya Dr. Bawumi aka ye bia. Enimu say. Doctor knew say the main campaign message of the NDC ye 24-hour economy agenda 133 ye be mo bia nya adwuma ye ne hwan no. Doctor knew say na ye fan fool. Yeah, did you vote? Now say in second vote we are ya chiro hwan anybody ma. Tie me ye pa. Na dem memo wanka se watu asum. Ye wura Mahama enne osi enkochi amamfo because obi atwere post no. Memo watu asum ensema papa we gina simpie so ka kire Ghana fo mpanfo just for free. Memo wanka se watu asum. Yanto asono yenko yanim. Enti Dr. Bawumi new credit say ye Ghana for the youth ye mo famfu papa no so mpese famfu no bekoso enti ono ankasa je microphone kan kire Ghana for say asem na papa ne ka no eni ngina so eye hurutruwa tokro dam because also be agenda eno no kire say Ghana ni adwuma bi obi aye adwuma enne bia nipa miensa na bekọ akoye adwuma wo ho a ene me bi sa say a teacher for so bekọ school anajo akokyere adwuma akokyere ade ana ade so mo mpe ye kan say double track na anajo school de na mo befe temi yo Dr. Bawumi asanka say na adwuma yefo na mo so bekọ 3 shift no ebinum so kyere ade wo kindergarten enti kindergarten teachers no so mo so anajo ye de nkura beko mo akokyere mo ade anajo ana. This was an intellectual expression, sir. Dr. Bawumi di gu for my young panty ampanhwe eno ne yene ene sa agenda 24-hour economy 133 no atonsuom ayira enye sustainable untumi nye mani nye ye especially oman bi ti say ye man a ye team ye experience on that issues before nkroma breso factories ahodo do saying ena na nye state owned and sa factories no one so it was clear say untumi meye say you are coming to repeat the yaye ne dada bi amfa yankosi ba bia. Do what the Nanado was doing. One district, one factory. My mom for no omuwonim dear kak omuwonim dear was sector by sector no. She omumu kena for sika so won so for sika she won ase ma won capital na omumie bi won adwuma omo na betumi aye den I am pro nipa asan fa binum kura ma omo aye double shift. Enye wo aban. Because abanye juma ukomu na oyiro hu ye juma ye bisa osada ye papa japade ana yes Ghana abanye juma ukomu na oyiro hu yi uyam eye juma ne said ye sene fata na ototo niema yi a ukolege kura so besen asere o se na wo adan abanye juma ye papa de ana. So how dare you obi also person meye leader na wonim the culture minded of the people a obedi omonim Ebani sene samba utimi se obeye de ye ni da bi amfo yankosi ba bia. But doctor can same way nyina no. Na amamfo etie se doctor yes doctor repreko. Ene na ye the reason why people wanted to vote against him. Ye kanya ansasem no. Na amamfo tun en can say enthroning kontompo bossre mu kapa na ye di gum na amamfo de achi na omo bo omo nsam. And never we doctor can't say no. Doctor can't say na say wo also unjini said doctor na or ye aware of what Mahama was going to do no. Or the video be ba bontin Dr. Bawumi na o can't say you Mahama say omra no ne nkoye debate. I believe you all remember. You Dr. Bawumi ba bontin can say he needed John Darega Dramani Mahama on the same platform to debate on their policies, the implementation, the sustainability of the policies now of person family. Now, the way a doctor demand you know, obi pia ni ho a onye ni homework ye wo fia obefre debate. Side debate na doctor demand you know, it was a clear evidence say Dr. Bawumi na ogene hutum no nim de wachechire no nim adwene na da ne team no de opese onye kwan obefa so aye kwan ben so na ebefa so ye betumi ato aso aye de opese onye no na enkodu ba bi na enkoka kwan mu. He knew everything. But you are Darigana na ensem no binom eba na numa na oka. Remember say you are Mahama de even Black Stars na omo boboro na enko ye ema Black Stars. Mahama edi ye campaign mani ye. Yewura Mahama ye campaign na Sunday enkrofo omoto chacha po. Or the krofo omoto chacha tax ye wo so omutu ompese omubetua. Yewura Mahama de ye den edi ye campaign. 2024 campaign e de bra. Emarima enkrofo mature men kura omoni gu omo ho kura na Mahama timika se ejo nanado danko Akufo-Addo na bamfo a oye nti na manfo ni gu omo ho mon kai so kogina platform so kan se Akufo-Addo abreso nko a ensuo kura ponto Ghana na sa asem no meti ana ye mesere se munyina mo kai o se Akufo-Addo abambone ni amammo boni nti ensuo nto Ghana manmu because ono ne breast 2013 mu no 15 mu ha oye o lack management skills enam so ma Accra ensuo twifa so amanfo wuye no onim se aban bi ate so no ento betra konwa so no nsuo to a e wo se frauden NC frauden so se frauden nsuo NC na nando ye adwuma pa enam so na yetete gatam Zoom Lion for ye de pressure to on so mo ye adwuma gates ne mu ate nsuo no eto ana atene ko no akwa we de kojina campaign mu say na otwen say nkansuo nhiri fa akra na otwen say nkansuo nhiri fa akra na de aye campaign ensuo na nhiri amfa akra na de kojina campaign ground de campaign say ensuo na nhiri fa akra no nye say ensuo ato ensuo anta afiwe enam na nado na mamu a obuo ena Ghana fo gina ho bo ebo mu nsem ede ma no cause papa no sabre no mu no wo ye ya oberewo asem bi ebeba society ne mu bia no ode campaign asem bi esi wo society num in 2024 campaign mu asem bia yewura Mahama ede campaign mane to nipa nasum ena mi nwa ba di ma Mahama be di akonwa afe baako ene bosome enson ena yewomi me pa chawo wo hu ade foforo titiro bi wo man no mu a wo dwene se e kire nkoso bi ne sabi o promise bi a ye promise na ye security ana da bi doctor knew this and inti a doctor Bawumi afre papa ne se omra na o meye debate a papa na show up da no because no nim say so okotena se so ne the wisdom, the wonderful man, the waste kid in economy no ne kwatan so mu din komo on policy decisions onim sa ne ntro na wadi ni nkontompo na watwa ni nyina ebebo mutuo so he refused to come. Enti sa invitation na Dr. Bawumi adema John Mahama na one man, that was supposed to be a big signal to all Ghanaians to say Mahama a froster. One in Crawford, Omuya Kuhifo pa. Because me about me. A micro mo a bomb homodene a call monim in terms of development. Amanya kesio mo abom mo ho modern anyini call mo anim mo wo bibia omokora mpo no se duru se ye kwa akoto aba afane tenase edi nkomo e de kire oman no de omo pese omo nkoyo na enye ye na ye ne hwea afa na ebe start from zero na ose untumi metenase wo nipa nanim nka de nti ye nkoto aba mawo untumi nibeti wo ho because no him say obaya enka the Dr. Bawumi ade be papa we no wahu anka je so jai politics here because Abraham doctor ye ready say o 24-hour economy na waka ho asem no eye case bia enye sustainable eye case bia eye indefendable eye case bia Ghana government cannot handle entino papa bra na me bie mu nkyerɛw how our system work na be gu ho ani mase Mahama se dabi ono de nkoya aboa o mother because osuro and then Ghana for yam fan to be na de yi osi ade yi okoto ne wo store ye wo de yate fa ho document bre che se wo na okoto ye so awse memma better ye media what be that is the same thing usu be ye we am on my man okay brana be kire kwanya obefa so a obeye ose memma na Ghana foji tum say no ni bibi this year no will be this year pa all his policies His Excellency John Darega, every single policy that he brought in campaign 2024 a whole say government say one of your biggest policy I would buy a billion kukonketenkete. One of your policies are the major ones. Nanka 2026 2025 from na kwa ku matenase anwumre ye di nkomo ankokọ ho nkomo. Temiyo. And 2026 meti akonwa nim camera nim ene utmitimi tena hakasa ma obi tene wo ye man num direct. Meti ana me kan kokosem I was saying Kasabri Nkaye Kasa about private businessman. Kwame Benson or Mofaso developer. I was saying Sabri Nkaye Nka the activist people in the society Nkayafa society problems na to ya hosuna ye kan wasem. But we have to talk about Nkrofono Mudi Yanim Ewa Manyo Semo because Omo Yen Nemafon, they are doing worse things. And ye kasafa nkoko nkoko ye kasafa akoko na ye kasafa. Now major project policy kakraka also wo de ba abema importation aye na brochire swat no just within 1.5 years. What me about Bontian Bay Fana announcement said Yam Fancho Adentia Unkoko now with the buy say yen or Mona Yam Fametigana for importation a ye Unkokosoro Uncrofo Nari or Motritre video at the Barbecue into an yard Oko Cano commit the hearing accounting committee was a hearing accounting committee. Now and this you're buying a content with that omoniaji, and this is supporters, they have no problem with this. Now minim krofo we di ntia noma semi omodesa sadani jeda savannah is accelerated ye can sense development agenda was hwanyo say ya na ekoye confirm o mutuko Burkina and then so yakoye nkuko mo moawe. Mr. Papa, we want to sanda. Tibiyo, ya kwayen confirm or more to go Burkina and then ya yen kuko magana fuare. Budget that chile. Be anonym say ya ring kuko. And we so miss out who say Sikado do say no more spend ye in the kuko kitty project. And ya kuko no more no. Panyo mo faswa or mo wasty. Sick up or buy a mine or mine sikano. That is the I didn't problem no. Because our budget na ye can cook marketing kitty project no. Sika e wom enye sika ketwa. Pacho temi ye pa. I was a fan chairman. A minute. But you tell me, pa. Sanku konketing keti project na ye ka ho asem no. Enwene nkokwa na omo awe no ho. Sika aban we ya spende. Temi ye pa. Sika aban we ya spende e wo san kwase ankokwa nketing keti project no no. Minya bari ma. Omo spend about 344.9 million Ghana cedis. E won kuko kete ho. Eguamanfo na omo nkwanse ase. Sa sika ne eguamanfo nkwanse ase. Na nkrofo we ne fede. Nkrofo we ne fede. They come out and to be proud to talk about it. And then Dr. Bawumi say Mahama mra na nka o misano. Sa policy way asichere ene de wan. Tie, bra Dr. Bawumi bi sa Mahama so mra.
I am looking forward to a debate with John Mahama on the economy, on the country, on the governance. But I'm afraid that he's running away from a debate. Isn't it? His people say he doesn't want to debate. But he doesn't want to debate because he knows I will expose the emptiness of his policies. He says he has a 24-hour economy that he cannot explain. It's as empty as an empty barrel. He cannot explain it. None of his people can explain it. They say they will be exporting lions and elephants. But when we meet mano a mano, we can debate and the country will see where our policies lie. And that is where we should go. We should give the country an opportunity to listen to us. But if he chooses not to debate, I will continue to sell my policies to the people of Ghana, and you will take the decision. Exporting lions and elephants. But when we meet mano a mano, we can debate, and the country will see where our policies lie. And that is where we should go. We should give the country an opportunity to listen to us. But if he chooses not to debate, I will continue to sell my policies to the people of Ghana, and you will take the decision.
Yes, I'm saying 20. Yes, and Tabusian for ye tear out the Bawumi Emperor the free Mahama ya. It was not for Joko. Not only what actually he needed from Mahama. Because it has small kind. Or say he's going to do 24-hour economy. Now 24-hour economy, no Dr. Bawumi. Why ye na adwene say or pemunchiremu or muntumi man nchiremu man entiase. The amanfo no mo kan say o mo ba exporto emmoa. E de o mo akwama no ne ene na asefo. Na odon Dr. Bawumi hu say nchiremu no o muntumi nchiremu no. Enye so muntumi nchiremu o because the o mo pese o mo nye no enyina so ennim. We na nam so ema Jom Darega antumi ama ye debate because him so ba ya nka nimguasie bag 9 nka be chechire like the aso Mahama so fan kofie bag 9 edimguasie nkwa bag 9 nka chechire ne boko na the aso papa ne say gina fa kofie, so he refuses. But you see adie bi wo ho a won etise nyensen no incompetency. Say when you are not up to a level, now we are still what to say level no. To say we kopa adwuma e wa adwuma mu. Na wako na yesi ye pe country coordinator. Na wo say adwuma no wunye bida. Na wako AI so akopa information akenkan bibi na wako ho na wako presente wo ho kama na yaji watum. Yaji utum na yama wa adwuma ne say ya. Etise nyensen. Said ye tie bia no. The reality will pop up. And no ne ho reality na aba bontena. Papa ne nsema o kan ye nyina no. During the campaign no, ene ni nyina dan aba beye few moment later. Temi ye pa. Ensem na papa ne kata na ni kan ye a na o kan na Dr. Bawumi kan kire ne se, won nsem na o kan no enye eni nyina so bi yentumi nyama ne nye ye at this time. Factory so mba ye adwuma anajo ade bia it depend on the market demand enye by policy obligation brane be kire udin so be 24 hour. Doctor kan na ndisi fo nim se papa na kanya nsasem ti se de Mahama komana papa yesu nim so okona ye de ne bottle bi na ode ntoma efata ho no de kwa onhwe ya na ate afa so na wakoka de ye nka enti yese ma papa na nko but ene ye hu se no kresa asema doctor kan ye say ura Bahama ne policies and initiatives eye anti ballo no o se na ye hunu te se ankure hunu no ene ni nyina beto abonten ene ni nyina beto abonten ma promises ye ura Mahama ma ye nyina ene boys no boys ni na e kase o this time now me so ye MPP ni awo ho you can make che se enye wo no be kasa boys no street no so fo na edi nkomo no enkrofo na ye di ntro kire wo no omo no na omo ahya ase omo ebiegum 2 full moment later oka asem wey 2024 2026 him asema okan ye o de join a na ba be ye full moment later. This is because you see a footwo way and such a nipa adjacent so he. Dr. Bawumi to Ghana for nyinafo expose Mahama say oye anti-promise maker, no fundamentals. Oni nyina so bia. Doctors to Ghana for. Doctor catch Ghana for say eye me Dr. Bawumi na nam meswa. Medi adie bia ba ye fe ni gold reservoir. But bia na yesika na nam within shorter possible time atumi atia perform. Etimi ni reality on fact. Ghana for say doctor, they asem na wo kan. Yenje oni. Ye pede e kan che say ye shito ne dokono ne nam na ye niji ho. Ene yewura Mahama nsem o kan nyina abaye full moment later. A few moments later, what happened? Expose. Na papa na ankasa expose no ho. And the Facebook no expose a man for nti da bia meka say the politics of today enye the politics of 19 kwadwo ho. Ukwa kura bia se no kwagina na waka de open na ukoda bi this time okasa a video tape wanimu da ho o voice ka ho e na wo kasa enti enye AI enye generation enye ntro enye nkontompo enye propaganda enye the reality of what you said. Mento asuna men komani mana ai ma mento asuna men komani me say na boys na yedan boys na kasa yi pa boys no omo abre because asem when you Mahama can in opposition.
Then Mahama said in 2024. Let's watch the video.
Change needs Ghana because in the last Afrobarometer survey, more than 80% of Ghanaians said that our country is going in the wrong direction. And if you are going in the wrong direction, if you are walking or you are driving and you are going in the wrong direction, what do? You change your course. And that is why on 7th December, Ghana must change course. We cannot solve the crisis in which we are with the same people who caused the crisis in the first place. Several years ago, somebody came and said, try me. Monso Menche. The result is what we are seeing today. Today another person has come and he's also saying, try me. And he's saying the same things the one who has helped to put us in this ditch was saying 8 years ago. And what they say is that if after 4 years I don't do well, change me. The youth of this country don't have 4 years to waste. The youth of this country are in a hurry to create the opportunities that will make them live a dignified life. They're not going to try somebody and after 4 years decide whether you should continue. The youth of this country want an experienced hand. They want a safe pair of hands. They want a hand that they have seen do it before to come back and take this country and rescue us from the mess in which we have been dumped by the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government.
Okay. Shakwananim. Pachotia some you Mahama kan ye pa, teri ye pa. Some na papa kan mu edru. Papa we say wote kam na nante na wo nante no ba bia wo kono nko ya wo dane wo direction. Okay, that is good. But ensem no nyina kira some Mahama kama yeti ase ni say he is an experienced what? President. Enti Ghana for yenya daje a yede ba betwen Dr. Bawumi asafe na obeye experience ansana waye adwuma amaye nti ono de yema ne me obo be solve bibia because watena presidency open wadi akonwa na pen minya ba de ma And Mahama ni experience presidency. Anyway, yo. Tiye pa. Papa ni se no. Or you be a mind yourself ne presidency die no mu no. Enye India media no bi o. Menka uye adwuma ma o man ma ho atọ no. Papa will say oye an experienced person. And anyway, yo, even as an experienced leader, no, the year who know, and to become where I'm say, no one that said when he came first time in 2012, he destroyed everything. Tim yepa, sa same way ya okan ye dabino, me de fa editoto de ne ekoso ne kwan ya wafa so a obu o man na afei na mete me ho ase de nti apapa be di akonwa 2012 220 to 2016 na your financial sector crack it down kura no afei na mate ase because ademete se sabre no na onim de oyo sabre we mu na papa no se onim de oyo me maame ya afrempo ame makọ aba sabre we mu o si onim de oyo bia no de nani na oyo de nani na adwene because of your experienced man ni o obi onim amanyo ho nsem ni o obi a wadi amanyo ani ma che se owo nim de ani o obi owo nyansa ni nim de wa amanyo semu na mamuo na wo hwe no na mamuo bremu ena oba ya obi asi obi de oman no sika asi ayaresabia oha ni dubaako a oya wi a wagye agurem a onama osisi edwa tiemiye an experienced politician oba no be ye adwuma because Ghana for ni adaje so omo betwen obi a only experience no sa experience politician no ono na no tie konwama free education obi de ba ye mani ye adwuma mani ye perfect no oba ye ogunu no amamfo pie school fees an experienced leader ono na nene breso o man Ghana untumi mie wa no nkasa na yegyina opona no national security ye becho de wako an experienced leader na breso ena dum so agi eku yen an experienced politician ne breso enra enipa 21 ekowu wo Ghana kwa Ghana ebia na wonim enipa 21 a omo free se Kumasi to Accra ene STC omo na omo te STC boasem omo akrash ma nipa emu 31 no emu 21 awu an experienced leader president no or experience and na ade achiye presidency ho no yemfa one even written yen twere hwemfa ma bonten emedi DC yen ho nkomo an experienced leader enipa 21 o man nipa aduonu baako ahwere won kwa enam kwamfo a eda o man no kwamfo a aban bia no di ho dada obaaye oye na adwene se oyo ni yie na sa crashing we so atwa obaaye wagya ya to ho ena wonam wuram ena odi sojafo na mura na mu twi wuram se mo baye express road abra ka kwanwe nom ewo ho dada ewo se wonye ni yie na amamfo ma no nya baabi mfa wo se wonyo amamfo akwa wo ka kwan no so experienced president no onam Jamaica na obotwene ena one rasta manfo na te omo hye opa Ghana so na wo behu rasta fo amo se yini pabonefo mpacho tie mi yepa na sempa na America no experienced politician o enne da do ya me no kase amamfo ahwere wo ma wo muma no mawu mpacho tie mi pa wo muma awu wo muma no mawu And so papa na also ye an experienced politician no. Or adeɛ kyi ye on twerɛ letter baako kora mfa ma abɔnten sɛ adeɛ wei a asi deɛ adeɛ wei a asi ɛyɛ tragedy ɛwɔ ɔman nom enipa 21 ɛna ahwere wɔn kwa yɛnkɔ a NDC aban antumi amfa even one written Ferris Ofosu Kwakye Ferris Ofosu Kwakye wantumi amfa one single written amma bonten amma consolati abusianfo mo ahwere won de hye ewo Kumasi to Accra road so a eye mo incompetency na amaka akwa ne da se de esitie but na me no ka say o papa an experienced politician no onam Jamaica ho and no ne rastafo na ebotwene ai Obagana so no mu se ye hye kakra bi a mo so mbekye yen ukoduru Jamaica de woni Rastafarians ene to na wo botwene watwetwe bia no aka ma yete ai watwetwe ande papa ne bia kama yente bacho temi yipa Mosi yen ye rastafo ye nipa bonefo ena ye hyehi wi ebirum de kurapo me de kurapo de mahunu amane sa social media we sie hu me sie bo we de wa hyehye wa ye fine ena oti o kasa well fajo de mi pa hwe amamfo ma wuo papa we be di akonwa nipa mu wu o man we mo dwene ho awonte ase look at this where the oil
Give me one row. Give me one row.
Pajo se won
We have to sign the ganja agreement.
Politician to the point to say. And now ne rastafo na te ho botwene o papa and then the John Rastaman John Rasta and then the only Rastaman for na te ho botwene o come say oh yes simple ben wey are deceiving tactics amanfo ba na wo enipa 21 na wo an experienced politician that you call yourself. I know you're the leader of the country. One kasa oma 21 na wu. Omwashi drebe. Went to a major bonti and cancel back and consolidate their family. Even when you were there in Jamaica, and no crampon and kebit me then, am I who how yan can say papa will join maho. I consolate the families of the people I ne and ranajo asem we to won papa ne nka ho hwe Ferris Ofosu Kwakye ne tentene etise 1 meter Ferris Ofosu Kwakye ne tentene nyina etise 1 meter ade achi ye ontwere hwe beto de ma NDC ni panyini bi enyare ye de prin ebe fa ne de na ko Ghana e de na ko America ko hwe no beto ye Ghana ni citizen na uwu nkwase awuo enam nkwase decisions ankwase phobia take care yesi de wawu kura ya wo de ewuko because sa Kumasi to Accra road no adwuma Dr. Nanando Danko Akufo-Addo ye Mahama ba ye oto aso a nka ye dual college ene but ye de dwi nkwase akwan wo nkwase awuram private investment a e wo senka no private company bi private man bi na wo senka omfa ne sika nko yi ka akwan bi etisa no omfa ngi sika no aban asese sika na wo senka omfa nye ka akwan a ebe me yakokuro bi sutu ekuro bi so no so de koye express road ena amanfo ma na ewu ena emfa ne ho ena onam ena one rastafo e botwene fra fly away home. Abam fu say abam time.
Give me one row. Give me one row.
And the better chip yama one. And the better chip yama one. The better chip yama one.
We have to sign the ganja agreement.
O papa no. O papa no. Amam for mana wuno onam. Eno ye day. Or bole. Na ye to aso ne yakoyanim. Na mesi wiase ayewe wa hu. Nyankopon oye ni bibia pepepe. So you be a utri mu fita. Udi no kre. Na uji Nyankopon hata soro edia. Just give time some time. Ma emre ebre. But just make an say pa. So uba wiase na uji Nyankopon dia. Otamfo betumi ase wo. Otamfo be kan sembone de afa wo ho. Otamfo ebeye sedie wo die podie wo nsem fata. Otamfo be kan de yenka de ato so. Otamfo ebe dane wo. Otamfo ewo adofofo anim. But what de gina pintin. E ma wo re nho e mansu mani awre ho. Na mmom no ma emre ebre. Na de tie bia no kore no ba be da bonten. Pacho tell me pa. Me say my emre ebre in your faith and let everything flow the way that it is going. When enemies gather, when enemies they come together that they want to destroy you, and you have your faith and your conscience is at the right position, brah, forget about anything. Let everything flow the way it is going to flow. And have patience to give time some time. The reality and the truth will come out. And Tronim Kwasiasema Mahama Jina platform so can tear you Dr. Bawumi and then you know a few moments later. Listen to this.
Ukraine-Russia war. Now Ukraine-Russia almost kwa efa ya Ghana for efa ya hube. Yeah, it's your baby. Ukraine-Russia war. What's not play mu now? Cause we call Ukraine. Ufi Accra, 7,000 kilometers and San Wakodru. No more common talkwa.
Almost months later.
7 months now. There has been a war.
I was waiting a year pa video me bocho me monchra okwa. Ene da sorry fuel price eda 19.99 pesos, almost 20 Ghana cedi per liter of diesel, 16 cedi per liter of petrol. Utemi yepa. Na minimo. That is why I still keep on talking about MPP, because me who say MPP for omote fuel price eye politics that. Asem when ajo Mahama kan yo ade bi wa yem fine politics, because another day me kwaku ameti American me no ka say metumi aka kiro say omanya ametim petrol ni diesel ne bo ekosoro eye normal entinka omanga na petrol bo ekosoro a enye hwe the same thing. But the entire mama kasa fa ho ne say brebi atwam ye the way ye politics edi keka nsem edi ntrotwa nkontompo edi di atem ye keka nsem amu edru di guamanfo so yewura Mahama numa nsem na wote ye upe bi atie ti asem asem jam fika ye tie
obebisa se die nti na abasa mpempi no aban no dada Ghana for se o eya manse dwabo a ye de to fan wo e na akoso nti na manabasa international market price na akoso but abusuafo ene ye chirema Ghana fo nyina ati ase se enye international market price per se e na ma fan wo bo okuri akoso sa nemu eye nyema minu baako eye eto aban we asesa agu petrol ni diesel bo so ena de toso mienu eye ye sika Ghana cedi na ene atete apansamo ama dollar na te praga kwa kodu 6 series 20 pesos no eno ka ho exchange rates because petrol na ye togu ye ka mu yusu ni Ghana na ye kokra it is a dollar kosra petrol bo be kosro saa so na petrol ni ye kokra ba aban de togu so it is a to le kosra petrol bo be kosro it ye ma obi anada wo se eya mansan dwabo e na ma petrol bo akosro eye to na ene dollar na akosro akodu 6 series 20 pesos no.
Okay, now say Sami Jamfi that time in opposition. Me aba amanya akọ mu akọ aba so ameso say like video na share ma me ne enko yanim. Sami Jamfi enso be kasa de to ne boss so say da bi patro no bo no. Yewura Mahama kama mo ate ase say emfa international prices ho. Enye ntokwa bi e koso oba bi na ma fuel boa ye dene. Yewura Mahama ka Sami Jamfi di be pay ebe face so say Yewura Mahama Yewura na nado eye nipa bone a wasisa eto ahodo de agu fuel so ene na amane bo okosoro nti se na nado so ya ban papa dia onyi taxes ne free fuel no so abusia John Mahama ne nkrofo be di akonwa the first thing that they did yes ye Friday be doom so levy and omode to fuel so nkrofo come asem na eduru ba bia na one Ghana for so asenya sa nkrofo we so trans na bi o moto ja eduru ba bia you turn around and you blame Ghanaians too because nkrofo we be kan sem we kire say ye to dodo na ama patro bo okosoro no omo be di akonwa omode tax foforo ba beto fuel no so no yenya nkwase afo binum te say Captain Smart ne Ghana afo binum they went around to defend that and ne fuel ne bo no da say enti ene se fuel bo kosra Yewura Mahama ne Sami Jamfie mon yi taxes ne mfiri so na fuel ne bo nyefo emfa mamamfo no na amamfo ho ento wo yes asem no kora yenka ensisabi se musi fuel na nado na nitima edene oye nipa bone kohwini opese ohun se Ghana fo ho akire wo wa sheda na wasesa sika de agu fuel no so taxes agu so dia ene nemo amabai fuel na ene ye de ye nka se international price en contribute ye de se eye nokure now, promise back one more yen because MPP believe in the reality, the facts and figures. He said the cost of fuel no determined by the global market. But Momo share your Bobby say mobile. Two billion more fuel no so be ye free so. And then ye be some say munyim free so my yen. That is what we are demanding. We are not demanding for anything else. Munyi santo no free so no fuel and then born me 9 cedi per liter. And that's Yankopon Adam Sami Jamfi say, and yet a dollar no near one, and then I'm a fool boy, and that's the Yankopon Adam dollar no more sterilization. Much Ghana, my sikana yam a dollar now abetra 11 to 12. And dollar, and yet the effect of the patrol. Now, mom, no, I yet one a matrian gusun and a man at the end of Bocosro. And Timuni put on friso. Munyim friso fe na mode ba kwa ba dum so levy na no mo parliament a wase ankofa another tax e de abepe so na ye say fidie eyi anoma ni sunko oja no so a ni sunko bra Mahama ti opposition no na de all kan ye different de Sami Jamfi kan ye different and na daregate akonnwa no ti asema all kan tie
in the Gulf between Iran, Israel, and America. That war has caused disruption in many parts of the world. In many countries, people are having to queue for fuel. In many countries, the price of fuel has risen astronomically. In many countries, their economies are affected by the current war. I must say that because of the role of Tor and Centuo in refining local crude and making sure that petroleum products are available on the market, Ghanaians have
Ebra COVID through ya na abrochire kro munya diesel ne gas na ye ka kire Ghana for say abrochire kura na diesel da shoto nti wonye bi to kura ka wano tum no ana omudi atem na yura Mahama wo ne Turkish no obeka ne dalet se ntokwa na ekosoro na ama diesel bo okosoro no wa sha ase ka na under countries omunya patro kura nto other countries patro no bo okosoro other countries omu economy na say. But most more trans or Ghana mamu country say. Ntokwabi kosugo babia, and yet the reason for which I was say mining economy say. More countries say Ntokwabi kosugo babia, and yet the reason for which I was a patro buon kosoro. But yet mubedu yano, afraid ya o kama yate say patro no ne buo kosoro because Ntokwabi asibabi. Now who be this? Aye, kia. Why ye? Missy, why banye? A young contumpa na say nada. I wish I like a video na share mammy and queer. A young contumpo nada anase trekkerish. Men are nan banning as I'm trekkerish. A trekkish anase a nada. Ana young contumpo. Papa would join num and all your trekkish. Also, some papa can tieni be me.
I say that because of the role of Tor and Centuo, in many countries, their economies are affected by the current war. I must say that because of the role of Tor and Centuo in refining local crude and making sure that petroleum products are available on the market, Ghanaians have hardly felt the effects of the war that is going on in Iran.
Yes, and they said there, Iran are free Ghana Kohwa, a much more kilometer far, no.
Are available.
Yura Mahama say engine tum said that neman cost to me affect our economy. Encontompo. Now, I want you to listen to another thing Yura Mahama can during the campaign time. And say, man,
na driver mpompo na omo ye memobo driver for na omo ye memobo if say afi de omo hwe petrol no bo biom okoto o hwe biom if say wa bre debia epeja Enti driver for entiminto. Uto petrol la uye jumama petrol no ene woka ura. Wan kasa de ukofia unsam pain.
A few moments later.
It is finished. Now diesel na I hate 19 Ghana cedis. Mahama pad. Moma with the diesel was 14 cedis and Mahama they hate 19 cedis 49 pesos. Petrols are rising up to 16 cedis 29 pesos. Mahama is the whole. What's the whole?
Kind of for the ambassador. So what was you? Papa was sick. I say I did be a course for Ghana Mama 2024. Yura Mahama to media campaign money a year. One worry. One who are we, papa. And one would I want him. So one who. And in time I said this time, this era of politics, no. Oh, you know one forward to one. Actually, listen to this NDC communicator.
Major goods. Abana, there are goods. Nansaya, press conference. Because it will maybe not engine almost 200 million, say 100 million. Go to Abuso Kai and go ask them.
Oh my word! We'll have a look. Of course,
I didn't spare parts of Kawana.
Spare parts in the day. On the Quran, spare parts in the day. Papa. Because
that dollar no kura wo 17 cedis no ni indi we mi to no 40 million say dollar kura about 12 and 11 yen ka say 11 and 12 mi to no 120 million isa mero 120 110 we like na onya na 100 million.
Yes, and is our home. Say Encrofono ego mu ho ani mase. Spare parts dealers. In some you would Mahama catch the spare parts dealers. Apostle kind fitters fitter for any offense saying spare part dealers for Kumasi magazine for ye yama ye kosi sa Encrofo so monko take hwan ye wura or say chairman Sambonsu. And this if what me kwashisha chire ye yama chairman Sambonsu kon swame Kumasi inka ye kopena porono adentia ye timi akodaada won se MPP na enye no emmo ne homodren ti omo niema nkoyie ene dollar no that 1150 but atia no be turn 40 million which is 4,000 and ne otone saying otone 10,000 which is 100 million. Me ba ye koyana ye buy boys na ni abre o boys na ni abre na the amanfo kan wo street no bra videos no ho boys na dwa boys na ye lay boys na aye disappointed boys na so mo ye nkwase adwuma so the people have started vindicating the video where enko ye nim
wadauma once be a video and NDC find be from say reason anya Mahama buy na sa mudede na mo yere se bia ye na ama na me koso aya detail from point for and I say omo na mo to omo am say chairman for na to obayi omo na anya ban bia na eyi woni say me ba me tell them chairman na people to so dey ya to fu mu kwen na ma to lolu fu mu sa and I end this mamu ya ban aba so mo ba ya and say chairman wo ya end this ni ku say wo twi mu say ade na wo ye chairman na wo ye emwa and now police for Abu to check. And I get 10 cedis. They say, I'm just saying 10 cedis. 10 fresh, I'm just saying 5 cedis. They say, I'm not 10 cedis. And I'm not paying. I blow back 5 cedis. Are they? And now, when I'm 4 cedis, 5 cedis. Ah, Lolo Fred, I don't know 25. What officer? No more, and a 5-star price, a 5-star. Say somebody says about that's not come on up as all children. Or my 25 no car rubbish. Ah, I'd rather for the moon and mobile. Mr. Can you say about I know food about the food. Nobody say about food, but check on it. Wow, wouldn't be power. Nobody to come. Also, what officer, I'm going to go up for Ghana. Once I walk. But I don't be a young. I'm anti. Some people say demonstration will come out. The bad demonstration might go back. One Ghana dollars and what it. That's yes, you're here. I put on about 10 years. Yeah, I put on about in a year. My year, you asa. They say, fool, I'm not too bad. 10 times I see and 2 muda. Are they? They say, any of you mamma fool, and I see a Papa John the Mahama, Papa, your promise, Wadama, and this in Peso will be a new master. 4 years, Mahama, yes, I be 20 hours. Wadao, Papa, yes, Kenya Homa, what you to the Edmanu, you driving work. We are more police for the good pound. Say, I just got it. I'm watch 1 minute. Said the can't swear we can't anymore. Said the can't funny cook. And I heard my Ghana police and what's out to belly? I say, I'm more chum than I am. More than say cocaine, I didn't know. Oh, the passengers in them. Police in no point, could you know back my fuck out? For all the other new Kojano back, not funny, but funny of it. Say, so, Mamma, we say at Tikamu Plana as a colonial. A police in ultimate pay, ultimate tell police in ultimate tell or your own question, not only in our annual, or rabbit in a cannon. No, I told you 1.5. You must say,
I was just what? But boys in a Joe. What's the one kind? Kumasi, ya. I see you now to Abama John Mahama. I'm bomb the oil next time, better what Tiano. But you tell me, boys no a street in a TM street in a TM and crofone di nkwasem no omo ho they have regret but ene akachi upe umpo betna ho emfe na ne da wadi emfe na ne yeden e da wanim boys no na ekasa o enkrofo no omokosan like koto aba no de ma papa no omo na ene omo yobo they are the people who are complaining because the adie bi to amamfo tim senka ukoto aba Mahama wia o problem wo wia se nyina o yere kura o ntumi mfafuro na oto aba Mahama o yere tumi fafuro man ye. This is what we told the people, and this is what the people are expecting from us. And you'll be na ayedan. And you'll be na kumantri. Boss yakon and a kofaba. I'm a canny yama come and can you so I'm on treme. But what me ye? Some nan papa we catch them you to know. At the microphone timo. Sabrena, next dollar and that is 17. Now boys need to me top patro the year Jumanya Sika, now which nan simpi so. You were telling the guys to say when you come out, say all your nebo so to say the krana under your watch, you will never raise the price. And then Uncrophonic 2 more money koye Jumana de Mao. And now koba ya osie. Namon sumufre. Boys na kasa. Boys na tie gukronum. Boys na shasi omuye campaign de ma Dr. Bawumi because they knew said doctor is the best. Doctor is 100 billion times better than you, John Darega. And the boys now your word or Masha say campaign. And Crofono or Moto Abanama is the same of them. Or one Asha say trouble. And Tierra Darega, your word, now dear we dear. La. Enkoye. Worry. Or second term with experience, you know. We are worse. Worry. And then, second term, we experienced presidential president. Umam unkrofu ma ukura umfa omoho. Unkrofu no muwa umfa omoho. Enkwasi achichi ni sika die basa. What they do sia, and then the becho. Mrs. Sikadi no modio. Tie de sami jamfi ene ne nkrofo na omo go board no omo de aye Ghana o de tie
gold board CEO sami jamfi ho abasem
one enra me who on the social media about my brother and friend and the CEO of Cocoa Board say one is it Dominic BB Ventures
Randiabe
no sorry Cocoa Board Gold board, okay. BBB Ventures, ISC or a security or as a bodyguard at the manor.
Okay.
Has run away with 200 million Ghana cedis. 200 million. That belongs to Cocoa friends, Gold board of
the security guard to Sami
Jenfi.
At the Omansika 200
million.
I didn't be inside.
This is Sami Jenfi. This is a gold board because some of us have decided, say, you better go further to investigate it because of the Kaya. There was a time one deputy minister, who is today a minister of foreign affairs, Okudata Abubakar, you catch her and say, Wako, your friend say, workshop, your friend say, washing bay, Ama, you Nesika, Nikabu. So if we have 200 million taxpayers' money, now say, so be after the Aniaqua, we need to know.
A foreign teacher say Ghana's Canada. They are alleged say I see 200 million Ghana cedis. Only 1 million Ghana cedis. 1 million Ghana cedis here. What the quantity is getting 10 billion. Where these are 200. Sana ya alleged say you see where the and yasam get to a cry. Now, Yabotre Menko baby a yes sir product we Kirkland for product and I'm for
Bacho what in ye pa Sami Jamfi Kasahuri Sami Jamfi and Uri Sami Jamfi, the insulter, on the bodyguard. Atima we are Ghana Sika 200 million Ghana cedis. So, and you 200 million dadao. 200 million Ghana cedis. And no we are at the core. Sa small boy yo. Ono ne bodyguard the we are no. Nampa info no moti akunya kese mo de no mo so mberia. Na Mahama the odi Ghana for this time there. Ojunu ho awonte ase. Wasesa nkwasiafo nko a na odi omogu aban mu. Ajimi fo nko a na omo head institutions. Nkora bi na omo ni experience. Enkurasefo bi omo ahu tie bo. Already yakopo. Enkurasefo po omo ahu tie bo. Ene asese omo na ya pack omo na omo handle ministerial positions. Ebe na wema. Abusia, Galamsey and Koyo, and NDC executives and Kasankasam paying for any more a one DC. NDC youth, Aquachi or Modio Maba Bontense or more ye Galamsey. The video way. Entertaining Yepa, community members in Jomoro have chased out the Dele Edem, MCE and local NDC executive after catching them engaging in Galamsey. John Mahama did. How did we reach here? Entisa ga we Dele Edema. Oni MCE, any NDC executives no. Omo na ye Galamsey o. Ena boys no omo krom ho no. Akwa akwachi omo pam won afiri ho. But asem ne yare ho. We take video no bi.
Anya say no mun kasa, mo ba muni ya kasa e. Mo ba muni ya kasa e. Mo ba no muni ya kasa e. Mo ba no muni ya kasa, obi ani ya kasa e. Mo ba muni ya kasa e.
Mpacho guy we munim ni ye pa. Kwasi ampanyin we ene didi ye wura je kufu atem. Na kopom fa me bone nchem kura se meka. Osi oti hwiche mu hwan. Kwasi ampanyin we ono a hwe Galamsey site o. And this is for you to more Jomoro ho no so mo ntia se mo nye Galamsey. Enkwasiafo na ye Galamsey no. And this is for mpamfo na ye Galamsey ya che omo on the tape. We nye obi aka mamate. This is an evidence, video evidence.
Mobile muni ya kasai. Mobile muni ya ade se. Anya hwe. Oso dia na ade. Anya hwe. Na me so ese minya business. What am I calling minya business? O ba cha de. Den obetu atre. Sa. Mo sa John Mahama aban no. Mo sa NDC aban no. Mo sa no. No Galamsey. No Galamsey. No money. Where Galamsey? Yampini.
So one say the NDC for na nkochi NDC for mpamfo so omo ye Galamsey. 10 year NDC for youth. And na akọchi NDC for mpamfo akwa we obi anim no hwenanim ye ono ankasa ye Galamsey hwene ye de la Edem akwa we ne didi ye uraje kufu atembasa for no reason kwasi ampanyin we ene didi ye uraje kufu atem for no reason ono no sa no one camera dananima ojina Galamsey site a oni NDC you to etwe so because you see a man in ye Galamsey ena ne buafu ono ne hwenanim and this ni panyino he is involving in Galamsey na assembly yo ye kan wonte ase me ankasa mi krom bonomanim MPP aban breso open faso atope mofom ye bechew ene de dua me no kasa bonomane the whole bono are turning into Galamsey site because na me no kasa bono MPP was just only one seat. And the whole bono ahafuano oti sa area ho nyina no fully controlled by NDC and the bono man Galamsey site kase. This is a video evidence of what the NDC leaders in Bono are doing. Full Galamsey site no more creative. ampipi abreso. Now you will never see any galamsey site in Bonomanim. But yene wankasa TV.
Aba Bono region. Kanene ti hana galamsey ni Bono region. Edna beduru ha. Na awo se wo muni say na no ye bisa MC Sunyane municipal chief executive. Ewo radio station ba ko say galamsey aba Bono region na omo na akofa aba na. Asem otimi kan ne say the regional minister eyusu Maybach. Nti host no nko onko internet na ohwe Maybach bo. Nti onyo na ye galamsey onfa galamsey mai na se misa ne se Maybach etimi manipa ebo bra wie na se wo Maybach nti no ontimi nya galamsey a mesra me kan sa ma wontumi ukoni fi anim ka zo egu ni fi ma mesisi ada paase mo ba wo krum ha a sika ne ono ani sika nya aban sika ono ani sika a wabɔ ne bra papa bi na ma minister te ye adwuma wo UN enye ne na bere manya 2 years enne manya abodise fufuo nyina a wa ye adwuma bɔ ne bra papa bi ko hwɛ ne kura adwuma a ɔyɛ na sa ma me ne ko hu 1 million ne made anase nkwala mo bɔ ne fie fa ne sika na wakɔ report a eno NDC fotimi adane sa asɛm no enti enye nwanwa Honorable Vincent enye nwanwa so beka sa na ye de se galamsey na ye kufuado asami jamfi na da bia oye press conference eti se nsuo kuje to abrakwa de nsuo ba ye no ene omo yi ene galamsey ye na kukuduro so e wo Bono region ha brekum benkasa amomaso domatre constituency Sunyane ha tronie ene na no tronie himfo musu nsuo na sei ye chesi omo na ye nti kroma na ente sa wo krom ha over the years enti obeka say ye nura de NDC for kan nura no omo ye kan ne say ye kan ne dia ene ne ye omo enamo so galamsey aba Bono region because na ye akufuado ene MPP na de galamsey ba ye say omo ma ye hu mu sa time no na omo ni principle na kam ye NDC ni a kam na ma committee bi si form kam ye NDC ni a na ma ti ye kan ya kan say de omo kan nura ne dia ene ye omo mum ene de aba Bono region na ka ni galamsey wa ha ene atuna ba bia drobo Bono region de minyanhu constituency na so 24 kam banda time hefa ene galamsey enkoso wo Bono region na no fence wa mana fofo video no mo ya no mo bo himfu bidin na me de menye so say ohini bi betimi aye because o ma ya ti asese galamsey de nka ya region bi galamsey ya region bi na galamsey nti Bono region de menye so say ohini bi wa ha obema kwan nti o mo kasa yi na me fi say o mo boa nye sa de tie o mera ya galamsey ohini kase sa mera ya galamsey nti o mo me se me sere o mo so mo evidence o mo ma ye hu say eye no kwese ohini bi taachira ma me de ubisa beka say ohini bi an taachira because your can nura even ohini bi nansen yan ye promote no e wona djuma oye mu no o ka say galamsey na e ba fom nti adan na aduru ha say me da mase
yes enti papa ya se mo kan nyina ne se Bono the whole Bono region na adane galamsey na asem na o kan ni twi papa bi papa no wa money din me so me money din but okasi say papa bi ba bonten be kan say galamsey nkoso papa ne video no nie wa ankasa hwe ni pakro.
If you ask me about my assessment, I would say now it's going down. You know why I'm saying that? If you look at some of the steps that have been taken before, the people in the blue, the water gas and all that, we're not hearing all that. You understand? People have invaded the forest reserve. We're not seeing that. Before this regime came, I know for a fact, because of the work that I do, 9 forest reserves have been taken over. Now that situation has been kept down. I wouldn't sit down here, I wouldn't stand here to say that galamsey is gone. It's still with us. But I believe that if you look at now the seriousness, I want to encourage whoever is in.
Yes, entiho nipa na okase se galamsey enni ho biem no. Ono ankasa ni region ne galamsey ni ho afe na galamsey no ahya ase ewo ho obusua medin ene Ras Media GH eha Ras Media GH so your live for YouTube on Facebook and you also on TikTok Ras Media GH. Madam nyina se ne mobre ma bie phone lines na tum osu tumi frɛ na wakyerɛ wadwen mede nkyia kɛseɛ ma me maame amanyako ɔse good job yes your bro good job JDM is really evil wicked ungrateful Ghanaians you see how evil JDM is doing to Ghanaians where a message a comment from Mame Amanyako sansana me ba ya frem poma say good evening oh bro Mame you're welcome sansana me ankasa the firebrand me ankasa me sister ba kope Esther Kebarima on say good evening family Mame ya mo akwaba enti abujen say the be phone last na to muso to me frɛ na wakyerɛ wadwen na ye kɔ ye nimu nko a bacho me frɛ wo ha me ankasa me frɛ hello.
Rat media. What? Metro and Kappa. What's wrong, Candia? Yamia don't be Yaboko. A chebus in your phone. You know, see, I knew you made dear. There be a mechanic or the GG and no one there. And for you maybe Papa be in your house with you. There's also about media now, who be TV. The apostle. I was saying because it was in here, you might change and your men in fact. I have met in somewhere. I idea one Tiasia, now Wuniano. One person bet Tiasia. One, and also Wuniano, one cannot correct. Now, well, you must see any politics there. The advantage and will be of support to NPP. And they say, maybe I didn't hear. The most of people know more support to NPP. So I didn't know back at your saying it. And Maya, Omuba radio, my sister is aging. So I said, we sit here, I didn't know, and you know about what it is, so I didn't know, or back at your say, I didn't know. But NDs on Tissa, and when I have a real, not your Mahama, which now. No yen no more bobo, no yen who be at so once na I say we be home as a will be your brain once again before you think I say Yamisuru with them. And until you Mahama dear or brain once you and what should I fast up mine soon what the incompetent Nyachon a Bible can't once a more Nyachon. And you may share, let me share social media and social media so and sign our best start to programming. Ghana Statistical Service on Monday report to be about one thing. Now I must say the end of the 2025 for for someone a course or many more and conform we are public servant or we are more public sector. There's a public sector, there's some meaning, so what I'm using as it would be. Sad dealing in a make a public sector, no crime, make any popular woman or more year and crown you mean make us our phone in Afra because we are public, you know. So, was this offer any past 7, any pattern, Diana, a new 7 or more bright? The end of the 2025. That's a very dangerous year to and we say, Sadin, it's a say a BSc Dana, as I report to it. It's a say Biaba or Mainu Dana. Unless Mahama be dia, and as I'm pointing for some reason, and also, what can be a fascinating fee and then the bodyguard? Besides, they can win and then with me real tika. Every Sunday, you send account to more, said you when you're the kind of frame. It may not be Mukurano. And tell me, say, one more national that this kind of baby panel is Wunyane, and that's one baby in fact. And so, Kuran will become or mine one what you know. And on my head, oh, we're going to so my Grimuchan was a woman by watching. I could be disappointed woman. Or my dream is one better by watching. Into Umuti Bonia, Mumuti Bonnie. Or more yet the more Bonifosa, no more your Bonifosa. Because the movie said, or more kind of furniture or more to the sense. It didn't see that. Many are the air Kosua and then put to some woman and myself why now Koka will be saying, find your politics. I'm not will be answered. At one and a real meet or will be answered for us in him. And a meeting and walk can be with the oh, and beautiful. The ND is a great chapter to 16 cities across the 17 cities crown Omuja no hukure fra ba mu kura na omabo omo modern che NPP. Eyide be indira NPP ema Petro ko 23 cities. Enu nke no so muja no hokura no a omo abomu modern che no. Na won kasa miti a obi be kan no so NPP ma inflation echo yes 54%. Na omo de sa ne ma ne de ebu akonta. Nanso no many accountability data it show essay a man do through on the 6th December January. I'm not doing Mahama about before Akunyama. Na Ghana na inflation is about 23.8 or so percent. Na growth Ghana growth is 5.7% in Ghana growth total growth. Our Ghana. So petrol fuel boa na ne boy den dia omu free one. Fuel and about around 15-14 cities. And we are hokoi. It is an F1 19 cities, Nedia Tetesa. And then our baby General Kase, and better than good for the time. Young, so more than one. As a Muslim Winter Boo is in Yakane, only NDC. And it Miss Busa Quantano. Manama Contabubi Mubuye, and Mra 2020, year 2 by Rie. Ella. Share baby, yes, for transport and kind of will be a minimum. Yes, for baby, so transport. And over the giant screen, over the giant screen, you could see all. And on Chasian or more 8-year resource, who took on no gray. Into Mumbo resort or Mumbo Papan, and no more ball, Nanado, and Manana, a Mohammed Kenya. Omode cap on Nanado, 6,700,000 something plus. And a mobile percentage in this also. And we are more by to a kind and we ding in the Pantomanager was a weeding. And more ball 6,200,000 and something, and also a command or Mahama, not a present. There, you know, whatever now will control machines and no account Mahama. Now, we took on which Internal, yeah, Baba 6.7 million. One can say the panel for 6.2 million will be to the more than 500,000. Well, no 6.2 no, and I win. I'm did it. Some of them couldn't have bought, and one of cocoa, some of your multi cocoa swap, we took on no, I couldn't them more, or catching a craft on so money. Now 25 million, no quite is a better time. A papa, a year chain to 31 million, then no go for the mamma. Ain't no. Say NDC for Omunquantabuno, Namia. When Nana air coson. Says me say I feel Yaka and Yama a voice I will play where you swing and it shows that and young people for Naya Castle. That to some year for 4 Castle, women and people for Naya Castle. No, and young people for because and Trono Mudiano. I will see some now would down the deep at the back or minus on at the big G to me. And when I expose women, say, I don't have one crop for me driver for. Casa, said no. Mama Petro Whiting, said Nessa say, with me, my dollar is stable. Mr. Dollar was so innocent, and him more yet. And when I'm my in sick as some atopedia. And they are not $1 you will not towards it is a papa. In yet then. And I dear near 20 million. I want to know for other time when $1 and will be say we can 14.75 for then they had 12 cities in Obran. I had then I dear near 22,000 and they had 3,005 4,000. I didn't think that it is so where now your tunnel 14 cities, now 15 cities, and yet then it may do 19 cities. They didn't that. Some $1 and what they say were mine. Say inflation what they say were mine. Most of my Tanya will and air cost where papa. Inflation is about 5.3% to the same. And yet then a fool, it may call a so echo do bizarre. It may near my air cost on one a bit Nadia Comusum. Now you show warm and Bonifosum. I air cost Bonifosum air cost will can't afford to be the warm. Now in Shranka, may say. Can't afford it, or Mabum and tap, and what super imponia, Obedanity. Even I walk as a Sanka Bawumi Expossed home like the great no. Sanko Baya Kagana Funya Tiase. The Minia, Nanam Sabayano, na pressure about obey no pressure baby Italy with you. Meaning how I will be now be council. Pressure never war. Italy, Kuruma na we no more average inflation Kuruma before 2022 inflation 10,000. Now average inflation be 1%, 1.5% a year no average. But what at the end of the 2022 no inflation require could do 11% Kuruma. And when the man Ghana deals could do 54%. And when now Congo I might be to say Turkey grab the inflation of 75%. Turkey. Our Moko of Nima Bay. And the Sana Memono at Titan and Nado dear, what Baying a Miss Wood Macassi Cassiana Baumia and the Magana for Number Sister Baumia to a Memonas 1 million can and the Mapa and the course of dear Bear Kurana Tagana. Then and the wind war thinking and a gun of 1 in Sufre. Into yes, a gun of was a bomb coso, no more and one in Sufre Baumia, the Yamabua and Togan of Winning House, Adrian and the Coco for. And they assume Kukua. No Coco cra, only allow crass. What be trouble good, the Abaco cra, as a cook means why you food that Coco for that. Coco would be and I'm saying be willing to be a man, the bear woman as a war. And no matter where I'm at, quality take for the we need to allow the Coco. Who pay to man from a film when you allow the Jum. It's all child Coco Crana. Baco crack to the Crana by over 2 basic 2 years, 4 years, 5 years. No one want to prison. Then was here some, and in your brassam, and no more share, and the tia Ghana for, and Ghana Memuna, or personally, and the tia woman, I pay your mama, I pay your mama, papa. Minia, moving to us of it.
When I see the YP from London, and I attend in Cano. I was for phone license, ye pay a daso at them, was to me fret, not watch the wadring, not ye quay name. I. Asamna na yemi anekano. You say for every 7 out of 10 service rendered to Ghanaians, government appointees took bribe before doing them. And he said, "Enipa ekwa buying institution muso mo koye bibia. Enipa ensun bia e wodu a omoko offices a hodu muso mo koya de no. Enipa nson e wodum etua bibi sika edema sabio aban adwuma yeni a wo sa office ho ansana de na opese yenyema no yeyema no e ya hosem ena ento aso mu kura eye no nko am another thing so amesan de akiro sesia we say so e wo ho another information say asan beto yensa ne se ena me no ka se Ghana maimu corruption practices ahuru ekosoro na ewo 14.3% ene the abane say in 2025 mu no krono katashene proye ehuru kosoro ekoduru 18%. Enti sawha in just 1 year of NDC government no omotimbo omohomodene at the 4% increment at the corruption allegations sim I wo abine adwumayefo womo aside entina de on Mahama de one ne nkrofo de omo di de because omo nim say papa ne te akonwa mu a obi atumi ye de opɛ so that is what is going on anyway one frɛ yeah I think it's mama yesterday yeah so yesterday yesterday Fema Mr. Ko. Enti papa ne de o ye bi pa mi me ban san kan mo akwa papa panyini wo te say
Ghana for better woman. One Samoa, Samit and Fia Begina Hono, Mokaka. Sam Crofu with ya Cassa. It's your tape for Mantel. Samit and Fia Sukonuma. 1 year to mother. When you study a sorry no pa, a ko pensio ebe dware eye den ekoye ni per day e di per dwuma ebe enya ne so ni sika ne da silver platter so ne de ama so he doesn't know how struggle are na wo masami dem fi we be dada hwe ade wo se Ghana fo be pre ko omu ko to dwani mo mo se MPP bonifate and trust out kura we hwe okuta to abropa be se ebe ka busumi mi ensa se na ami atop o nsi ana o koso stability yeah ensio and some hunto atemu dia no wodi empani for your oma ko retirement for mutifie hwen sama nkofo we kan Mr. Mafu, if you cast your mind back na wo hwe amemu a omu boa wo kusa omu say are they a human being omu ye nipa ana sapita fate omu ye mo bia yakofchu omu firi ba bia ene ye do omu begu omu animu because we yes sloppy talk our public against president na no disposition no wonne mo president na nkasa na otisu siam mo yes sloppy talk in public arrogant talk obakasa sabita fata samna ne frimo no mo ban eti samo jaman ene mo fia e frimo katrema so ena mo ka che former president the excellency na na dankwa mo di papa yatem ama ewie mo nyina ka se oh aye ye bisa mo say amemu no se si amode no e wo hene mo se na na do tota or the type or the type or the tax atu to niema so na oye opanyini a sabita frato on dwene o man no mo president Mahama and no what point is o sluggish children no mo na mo cancer mo na mo kache Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumi and the MPP abana no mo te say wo mo ye obi a o mo tetema enfama memfo o mo netema de matememfo mo na mo cancer and mama mo no e wo hene fa sabahu se ewiase a ye nyina ye tia e de bia ye tuye na ba ku bia e wo se ka che radije no so wotena se na wo si edua emumo kokua wa na ye de wa ne bebu ku ye ka se ye mind back shetete no enyina besine e from fanda na sabita frat wonye baby kono ye bisam e die be pa na Ghanaian people will cherish every mo come here momo niema mu tutum ensen ye papa na na adu di oja hokoye eniema ensama mu di manu kaye he sabe se chedia punyam no bosso ni asase na tumi nyina hye ne naso no so wantua nkofo we kamebu sase urade aden na wo ma manfo cost free na omu go the innocent people ewu fin the union can say transport unions for kedomu ye na na do Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi shanim guasi omu guno ene ayi entasi omu titi gun krofo iso mun soro nko yempemo unum sese na na do ni omu be negotiate krampa no omu still no omu ye campaign unum sa ene drivers union mo say profu be say as cat bite your tongue because ene mo betutu mu anu waso mo nsa se mu ntumi tutu wunyina ho mo tutu ma mebo mo masani amanfo am ya bebo mo ye busa mo say eye krokro de John na mo ya Ghana fo na say transport union for ye krokro de John na mo ya ma ana say the union for leaders no omo ko say wo mo timo omu kutia nanado aban no ye bisa se enne wo wo hene omu tafro omu nsama na omu tafro omu zaji ye bisa wo mu ana se enne ye bubu nnua asisi wo maso enne ye di aduro asuso wo mani susa mo omu huna de ana she na mi betue mu nyina moka if God is a sister obetue mu nyina moka na mu nyina mo bebre akwanya mu di MPP abanfa yo Mr. Mafo ya enne wutumu ti se obi pedi obedi kura wonya ensio mo benom kura omo bre because meanwhile no mudi galam say asen apolotu se wa gane na ba wudi na na do de no ne ehu white kakra o okuta to brokwa enkoda no kase ne mind say ensio na no di besi so na ni ye fita beboa so be kaya upa ko video no and then ensio no onko sasa ensio wo ya bi no 700 national television to say so be mu say ensio na ye fita na say chokomilo etisan choma etisa afro na mi betua ye kamesamafo Mahama etina bonten as the order as he is no through tantrums lobby stock against the former president Nanado Dankwa and Napan Ojina Shomo or behave the grand profubio said grandiose say Ojina Shomo free said obetumia ye ade we na Nanado ye betumia yasmasa ade we Bawumi ye betumia osha Shomo so nibi na susu koni mu a hwini na ye atentehuo kwa wo say mumma me kwan na me mra na ono no oni president da mumfa me mra na me wo experience say ye ken kwa kesa barrel wa munu free be personal by be na beto say kodon Uso Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the excellency Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, or Nimushe, Nelso, some man of Kwano or Baya, it will Musa Kobe 4 years, but he will look after you guys. Kobe Samon, a woman seeing yes at the aye, not penny toto, I will want ma, I will want that you and none will be or Magana, if you are that to cry with Papa the president. And now wouldn't be baby Shania Wuya Ghana because what's for Ghana for and what Mr. President what's the war to corruption but you are the most the leader, the champion of corruption, John Daraga Mahama. We are champion of corruption. But what did you tell Ghanaian people? I'm coming to abolish
corruption, yes.
Corruption. Maybe Borosino, or Pia Yibia, may you say, Umpomani, may you say, Lobby a Concomuacafa, and some Munukasana, Udina Bonten, and I will slobby to her. What no point is where were you? Ye Bissau, and now we were here, and I will see Jamaica who bought on Tonsanzano. Now, you are one the car said, who can't crack a canoe in Trocata, and Ghanaians, that is what you guys want. Now, do need Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Somosa and Kwa almost Somo. What that can you free for 1 year? If you are going to free for 1 year, if you are never going to free for 1 year. But yesterday, you said Nanado haven't done anything.
Yeah.
And Mahama, Australian Pam, what Chichibum, no one more Diane, no of your good tables, no of your bram. And then more come farmers, more come. A draft of when you will come, one, but to yes, Mamma Day. As a what the Monsa MPP for minimum move choke woman. MPP for emebunu any more year musumo ko pe party anymore. Mumma men ka bibi nkyerem. Mumma money na ho sa abo wo. Munkwato enyi ni papa. Enye de edu say asem bia ba obefi and this MPP ato ama yaseso mu akuku pinim. Se me kasa na munti ase eye pe na mabu. Enye wo bia obekwakoto MPP in future. Na trouble bi obekom won pese ye de bekom so de de tama akoton no. Mama yes chama won to me sacrifice no. Mua mo nkrofo ni bi mua MPP na bi mo na mo sacrifice chama won to me. Can you be a bold enough to take that challenge? With that, into me, it take a bold person. And obey to me, I had a chama wound to me. Me question me person me to some say, Mumu be pray, Muko share and I say, and a muyi MPP man. Near was so one yes, and on my bunting, no mechanic here. And Chabaya Moko to or two I didn't see a henny. Mumma Jumu and your day. And now, choose the right person. About one, I'm a papa power back. Nessa Nipana Muba choose no. Moon chooses this Nibian to me command a bribe. No one tall party, no, and your day, and got this car. All fuck my papa and depart in any Namun J about Ghana. Ghana need you, people. And yes, Uncle for ya. Oma Trump Pro Factory. Esti baby every 4 years piano and one tro edema wo money Oma sofuno. Ya pamocho. Osi ahi to ahene. Mo mama dwunu munye dey. En na ho. Mo manya me emma mu direction betumi ayede. Akoyi ni papa. Wo be bua mo ama mo da tiesi. Na sa krofo we de. Wodo mo konsuo, wodo mo ko baby a enye ye da. They will still remain as NDC people. Corruption, yeah. Omo di MPP for say omo na na etu galamse. Ene galamse no nya na ayi wan edem no na enya no onambo no. Yeah. Yeah. Dara edem anu odi ye papa kufu atam. Enya no onamase a otu bi. Nanso so mumma mua kasa ho kwan e ma NDC fo be wura mu. Ena mo hwede ene wo mayam. Mo hwede ene wo mayam. Na mo fi se John Mahama wasesa ho. Wonimonum sa wasesa enko batan wo bie ka asama obai ka ye omudna kwato prison. Obi okutan kola miensa asenan. Kamila usahwa mudna kwa kwato. Na de okum na ntie 32 no de ma fa na antum ne boa. Sa wo hwane asem wo ye ekoya. Obi a obedi bone ne nipa na odi bone no mesarafo no so ono ne ye agyaji no. Sheta ma wuntumi na hwe Kamila asem mo hwe de ekosi. Na wo tenase na wo judge sa niema wo nyina. Na sa wo da to say MPP is the best party o mbetumi aboa mo a. Na mo say there be because you do what to you can say payroll biswa you titi Ghana sky de emma mutino. MPP is not enough for you guys. That's some back now 2028 in bedroom. That's a man from Kokromoti and Kotuaba. Na mo back now masa tuaba masa grandeur for ya. Omuno mujira remo say Kokoti they come out and trust rubbish talk ever public. Na mo wia omu discard to margin. Munko na munko suye nyansa Ghana fo. Munko suye nyansa kakra na munhwe kwanya mubetumi atuaba ayi oni papa obaba ba bekyere mo kwan no. They say ade he enkwanta no aye bebre amam. You don't know what to do with your life. But if you go on your knees, now we pray to God say erade tire ye kwan a ye mfa so ye bedi ye ma yeso a beka bibia eduro bia nka dem. Edrobia kadem onyame ebeyi leader papa dia yede sanya na ka oyi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi aba mo reject no wasan ebebie munko na mukoto papa emfa ma papa yi na muto papa Ghana fo mu ho What do you call no question? I should we are. Me decide to be a number be or broken wood. As 1% MPP for the paper public. Ababeka. A campaign was soon go at the MPP for. It's a pamocho. Munqua Namuko Twabapa. And yes, sir, when we be free to know. They see Mr. Maff, Mr. Bussas, and near my we are at the end this one at Niniano. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi by then would be a man.
And then ask them. And then ask them. So when we have to say, go to one semination.
Yay! The new Sue and you kind of say, yes, yay! Yay! Ready, Abrego. Yep. Hey, Ghana for Muama from Sika Cotton black and white at Copo. Muamun so much, Mr. Mafro. I mean, you was your crew for Ghana for the so Cassa would do much young. Ubeka Sama, we went to swing an idea.
Park is a dear for you at Edge, so Park is your child. Yeah. I was here for you, so I quit him. Most course me and watch. I mean, if come from Amaya, not my friend Evans, and to me, say, my friend Amaya. Yeah. I was having some fun, I like washing the swaka.
Mr. Maffo. Amen. That's our son, Jan Cow, when you're here for you. And I was near to my power here. I mean, it's wrong. That be a doubt which we go home and not the prayer and so I. A diet gentleman for you to be. I mean, shroud, now. Mana, some day, a cassa, a car, and I hear about you. A Kagana, some of Paya, John Dragama, Martin, the Panam, so Ghana, dear. And I hear about boy. And I hear about boy, I say. Mamma, then, for oh, by Mr. Garam said. Kanado Sakawa Mafia, on the Bushia phone it. Sakawa Mafia, on the Bushia phone, I say gun and swing and yet the Yamias is saying, Uncle Pami. One man who cried dead, dear. Cobua Socohe. A year can say military base here, or said dear Juana. I'm pinning a year can say. I'm saying, and I say for when I say, you two galam said, and then. Into your mamma or patches for winning. Your mamma or patches for winning. I just one more crown and then imagine that you have to say who would be vice president to be. And when you phone with your mamma, the cutter now one, why is who need concession? I would to sue a former good year or Ghana. And no near the other mamma, no obey you. Says the one who mamma do a day in Yanamakia for cocoa for. Was see? Says it would be a cocoa. When you're right, when you won't quite say what the man kidding, and now, boy, dear, a better thing. Nanamia do my bomb when you're beauty. Unyante. Boy, dear man, can you when I allow the soul with the baby boom when you're beauty? Would you have cocoa and cocoa? Certain like a star, I was all registered. Now you was a cocoa 10 acres. I finished doing as I will have a steer. Why have a steer? We know. So, Cotono. One could the last is that. Won't you mean tongue? Who got what to my over could you? I'm now the Abra cocoa for but make the aim Cocodona Emma who are so papa and Nafia, Bonason Yavi. Any of my nowhere near I am quackra bone. Nanka Boneba Pan MPP are buying. What the year, Yama, many a papania and Naya were family and Yanamokia for. Papa, Maya, what Trusting will say. What might be Abacoswa if we queer. There's a more and a munya hoarding, a piano. Now, Yame, a close to Pagus none of Bani year. Yanum so to my moon for yes, I think. Yabetobi. Nti aka asikafo panka yakuafo emi demani awoba mayan asikafo nyina ayakuafo mayan the whole German no de wiskapa wo na ka se nkuru a ekunu because wo na yakuya to wo mo sika nkasa obi kai wo me capitalist fo
ekro
papa yi bo modern person akuafo mo bedi yie Shabby na Dubai or Paja Coco man you could do. Mamma Kona 470 cedis, say. Papa kakra. Mama say Nanado Abeka Samon Somenshe. Ah, why Asana? Your son share you won't say Ed. Papa Bepajai 470 cedis, no. Papa you call 3,000 entries. Nankane boni ya waye ene na seda amode man ni Ghana for mum ye misaya ho mum ye misaya ho ya tukutia sa ye mu Ghana for ya tukutia sa ye yem ene o ha ne ba ye no ye anya for ye so dada ono so le wadidi ami ye o wo enjoy papa bi ye ene o te Jamaica wa buru ntwene mu Nipa 21 ase. Want to be Kawakwana Kabama speech to crowd the I am share. Ay. Obi Matukwana, some say as met ye, where your my Ghana for. In there, Yako. Kawaba Casa, my teacher, you're funny Nipa. What now, bunch when you had, hey.
If you are not sick,
Mamma, you are saying out dear.
If you are better sick, a cram, the assassin in ye.
Aye, where the other man one row I say.
We do not boy.
I say. Bob Marley the enemy. Aye, so the cop bill as the enemy at the man and the man. If you are saying out dear mamma, and anyone at the town who now no Bible or Quasia was some cry did not know when in yes, and Pammy. Eddie amount, and I do know Yankupon Sequastia, or Crano made it. A Japadiana watch a share, Adam Diana watch a channel. A better my dear. So, Mamma, says the son why I gonna fool. Son why I gonna fool. Yaya come from Obutungo Sia and Edias. Says a yet to a mining so Ghana for a mining a dear. Yaya hope one year man for you go a mining. Because for no Akasani campaign message was say, someone named Namo to Abama and this for much one ya catch them with some farm or bag and Namon if it's on mine a yard on. Yamu young piana, I dear sons, Mamma Manquantaya. Says you were mine who are torn to stick little that. Just after an appear when I'm in. Mamma said then now bet now so 2025 January no. And then Mamma shall get on here. No, my crown or professor, but no, I told my am a Russian for. It's on young upon the money piano. Some says now a kind of Mr. Maff one kind of go. We never know when they can you.
The says if you are putting a dinner so any young son.
Yammy, at the man they can because I am Mawakumanim their push until I say P. What's the one you know when you know to about my end this year? What one you catch him with some of your man, I'm going to so money account. And the mamma, what was not a follow them with Cassady? Ah, mamma, we are no man. Your mamma, I know you. As promise of God, the software. And join with some mamma, no me pan, was taking out solid demo. Software, and I mean, you be being thrown. And if you are the one who comes now, 1 4 months of wash and what the Jama will be. And your vampire and then your mamma was right. No mere when in the and near my airport, so mamma did not solid demo. And near my mamma, who was your did not solid demo, mamma, whom Felia did ready. Or someone not damn who Yakupo and Sinatra, I said, you need Paguano, and one will be trap. Would be a papa, will be trap, papa, would be a prayer, be trap prayer, mamma. And young Ghana, now we are known. What do we say? What do you yet I would be one or Yami well, When Yami well, we see a deal will be at Tamwa. Now, ya, going to me now. yayi yantete yesa yabamrente sa eh don mama we will fi don draga mama when the be atam cha one of form one anum ewo ofo your friend is say akoya watru kan spoke my ya watru kan
chicken burger
ofo sukwache
yeah
maybe with sharp teeth
yeah
ofo sukwache ya nanim se muma tatwi no nanim sa nsuo ba akola ka tamoto wana ho wansana same jamfi akola keto wanya adwuma da wo mu nipa bibrebre ana wo de bi su kusakusa me kase me hu afa me ko da chi dua pa esuo wo beduru na wo chia no na me chia wo dua me chia wo na so wo fi akola di atam having Taylor was so a man that you must one dear would be at them. And what why na mama what me aka? Is that someone I was sponsor will not some dog in Indian Namufa, could you talk about the Indian Namufa? A classroom Danny Bruffett and so the Indian Namufa. I candle. What to make a candle so one thing and that what I wanted, you know. Wanted to na what would you weigh in another one about so? Mama don't akaye. And not dear. One ya, I know Cassa said, I could not tell them. Help to a champion. When I'm feeling I want in Chaya what? Mama, then go for one fire in I want in Chaya. Never go for none abrew, in none abrewa. Oh, mind a poor mama, make us all best cartoon one for the that. Yamu ka unsa wono family mu na mbedin kayato pomode na de wiya Ghana japade no a fama wunua ade mama ba oba enya sa mamu no obeku oba revenge enka sana no se as ye nam na sana aka no mpe no wantumi afa praye anyi yichimu kakra entete na na womu no enti oba revenge se echim na aka wo no mpe ni mu no ene na wo ba fefi wo ba yi ni yi na Ghana for 7 previous yesu ebie wo me ni adwinti no na sabi ye yankwasiafo ya dinifo na samen sabi because mama ka trem so mu ni adwin Ghana kuta short memory asam kiki na nsani a forget me aye fine won no kasa kadra ti we kura de sabi kura ni mama ka ye no wato sabi wan to sabi wasi Ghana ye ni adwin ye wadwina nke be to abapa sama John talaga mama Mama ko shini da brabani o bo mai jo mama ke be to abama no jo mama ye be what de what ngofo gum na o mu di Dr. Mahmoud ba o miatam o mu di na nadu atam o mu di MPP atam ye be di watam dis ye nyina wo chi ye gum unya kopo be chia wo ka de jo mama wo nya mai wo ni wabusuya o ba ma won sisa no so ye be chama when this one chade wa yo mai Ghana ya wo bone ben Mama Ghana ye wo bone ben aden adroba for be bamoso na mo kura de mo chimi kura de sabi mo chimi etata wusi wani mo buase ena mo tiam mo nyantiam o enya ma adroba for mo nyantiam ena ya chechira mo sabu machi ena ya bomu ya mo se ya ya bomu ya muse ya wusum kra de boy obetumi awoso ho ya bomu ya muse ya etina mu de besia nyansa mu pen na mbaje ne bag yenkwa school ayenka late na mu ka so nya ekufu ado ene na ban ekufu ado ne na ban na mo yeye ene mo hu ani mu guase ene petrol ni atum so nya allow the so beto kam akechira mu sagu machi ene ya bomu yam na na be ye mu yi me hu de na na de ko fanya Ghana fo COVID-19 ye ba ga mama breso a enka Ghana ke ye nyina ke ye be hye enya ni se Ghana na na do na me nam na na do so ma Ghana ya ma me ye nuanom ne ye ma wo survive wo Ghana ho no abroche kra hwe ni pa wu ye so Ghana ni pa se de wu ye eni pa sai papa ya hwemo e ma moduane di mudan kania mu ensuo papa di ni na ma mu free government workers 1 year mu gwadwuma papa yi tua amoka show be a full salary man every month. Now can I say that you? When you mean what you show no Papa, why you in term to do? We'll crank a 1 year in term. And last minute, no, like one mama show down. Where the yame, one magana for 1 million who say are we in yame? What show to me said you which I have no? Your mama, what did the yame by your dear Ghana for your home? Ghana for your home. And that Bruno 24-hour economy, no, dear mamma more, yes. And go on getting a crown in the percent again. Any person and young go on getting a crab. The one any part, no. Emma Brumaya, the Munsumina any part. And I'm a man who's in Yanko Quanketing Kitty. Mamma, John, Mamma, is sitting. Hey, Draga Mamma. Nami baby saw. O Yanko baby saw, Papa. I dear with the other Ghana for you will feed that. Now, when I am Shadi, Yanko was what they buy a cocoa. A year Shadi pa. At Sinam, be say a 2 bar, mobile study. Montrafia Namona. Montrafia will be Emma Damo. Some among called Twaba, a good father and Crawford. A good father, a new mouth. Macrona be a mouthful. No, Mr. Nanadu, where you must have. For tomorrow. Tell me, go on a shop. Hey, Nanadu, Yamin Shroud. Sentinel, they know be a cabia won't see no. And you papa pay why you need. Me won't be that. Me won't be that. Mamma, I had me a duma back one way. Lemon put to you about Mamma, why? You wouldn't mind is so good that. Yenny be about when you are that woman, I mean, Papa, you should not trim for bear moon. No, what trouble work a crack for Gandhi a Dutchman. And I would tell my when you achieve the price. The kind of so cry, ma. Go to Muslim they call Ayra. Aye. A poopon go share a Yanka, Pupua, Nankama. Sikama go to a ma. Says a mamma, Sammy Fini be south. But when you go to now, what to go on the sign aka? The Buaconta. I never Buaconta, and the summit of one when you was here. What do I say, do mother? I call like a ticket to Yami baby sound. Yanko baby sound. One year do mother, also what that also. Some of the fan and son do mother, what that also. No big boy, mamma was much walk or two. When you need to go, I was much walk or two. Your mamma should be really, you can come from your Camadam Pine. The away and a scanner wood channel. Ah, when your memoir don't see and count. Mamma Patrin too. But then can one transfer for you. What's your mouth 5 years? 1 year no credit count one. Just around the corner. A year there and bring the best who best from. Won't we don't fear? Would they a cogale grawama? A year there bring the best from your mamma who be sick for. Now, when they car, canoe, baby, or 4 bono, not when it yano. Mamma, and you know, the be in our business. The bit. Medium is soon could suffer some cassette who for Biaco. Tomorrow we did the Ghana for no. Yacha, my wound to me 1 year, she went to me a young coupon when him. What did Yaw did find the Tanya Colay would be a succor no maffin or walk on the bra? What did Tanya Colaya to a fiat, mamma? Ah. And as I'm a 37 car, and was still go and the boy of 20. A mouth won't have the new quiet year to lunch, will be training for a gram or two. What's your upon what chairman now watch the fair? The young boy and will prove a new work and now. Mamma, the winning ma, ya be a yen. Time was said the audio you're going to know, so I be a yen. What to make you are going to be a no? The beer would yet, the who cried the young woman yet what to put, who better Yaka. So, mamma. What do you about it, Siaka Catasso? What about it? No, why are the Waka Catasso? I want to mention. ɛna na ade ya wo yɔnko ɔkwasia wɔsi yɛ de me yɔnko ne yɛ ne me kwasia wɔsi yɛ de me yɔnko ne yɛ ne me na mo a mo ka ho ne MPP fo a mo su gya gu mu yɛmfa wo ntumi no yɛde na kɔtum go so nsi asa amabo adwo sɛ etu akwakɔgyafoɔ na ni awu na mo so mo da akye mo so sɛ na bewie mo na kumasefoɔ mo de nyame ɛmɔdon fia kamana mo kɔto aba ne makoka na mo to makoka de ma san atɔ MPP no mo to aba ne makoka chama na mo de makoka ma fa ma yikokofu na mo de makoka mo san atɔ aba no e de ahyɛ MPP fo nsa because koka no ni MPP fo na yɛ adwuma wani MPP fo na yɛ adwuma wo die nsɛm akoka kafa chama wo ntumi ho pa wo ka sɛ eti wana na chama wo ntumi yɛ campaign ma no obi a watumi aka sɛ ya fa chama wo ntumi atomo a wɔno ankasa bɛkɔ NDC fo hɔ akaka se fa chama wo ntumi ntom wɔyɛ nipa the wiase wa ma ayɔnko anka ya nkwa nso nka nkodu da yɛ keka funu yɛ keka madam pan MPP fo monya vigilant o mama mani na ho papa MPP fo wo say ya ma ya ni da ho tisabo o because John Mahama wo ye nipa ponini papa ya yamfa ne mane fi na nyame wo ho ye nyina no nyankopon ye de wo ho woni ye bi isamafo eni nyame nya adwuma wato
me da se bebre ma nyame nka bye yes ya maame from the Germany aye say yadru yenwia Ivan Sankama so yemon pa say onko ya because what cannot comment or something friend and na ontumi enkasa lebe yenko late because tam kwa
hello
Ivans mwakwa
yeah good evening
Capitano fache mama atena chirache
oh ajawe ma yesu tano so chira na adene bye Mr. Wo sister na kasa sisi ya mpacho ni did say
efene mame ya frempoma efene frempoma
okay sister frempoma ya no nambo mame nya connection bi o hanu mo koka asem na o kan sisi ya no odo koka onye me prefer choice dey by asem na o kan se ya fa wutumi aduma dem se na koka ne kai eye kwasinti former formina chairman
okay
on ne ka kwasinti se onu na o kan se o ma ki chairman me ti se koka kasa se koka ka asim bi santi ono no
I'm sure na one na you free so that's why it's been associated to him yeah but no na ka
kwasinti de wa kan sa asem no ama me ma ya ma ibo bra ya bonu ibi bra no ya kana wo radio so ama me ma nye koka mbum ne kai se woni koka ne nam dia fine but nye koka mbum na oka sa asem na correction kakra pese me ye wo na udim se me obi a esa ya kutia boni sa no ma no man sha dam pe Ghana for nyum no bibili sa odo me wo me prefer musicians am for masem pa bai nyuma me pe pa ye me favorite music pa musician pa obi as reggae and reggae musician me pe na sempa na Joseph here
okay
do not have a culture.
Yeah.
Or you be or say as last Mount Zion.
Okay.
As last Mount Zion. So I don't know the party. No matter make my bono every day, every night. Because or say okay, I send people by who that's assembly me. Or say wicked man will prevail though, but for a little while. Wicked man for better prevail, but for a little while.
Just for small time.
Eti yon na mani Mahama na oye nyina president unim say unia before Mahama ya to about 2024 ewie Mahama na num ton wo se ono kra na wada na onim say obenwini aba no eti wo mo ka kira ne say wa nwini no eye ne surprise na ehonum no amafo be fi say bia wa nwini na wo keka sa asem no na enye say bia o ka for jokes but na no krepa Mahama in his own words no know himself abano Ghana for ntoma no what na make am Mahama win no win ye no I was then we need parliament massively no. A shokono on one kasa no say obeka no prepa ma no a. A shokono. But na Yakubon pese obegu nanimas. Me dey bia because Mahama win no win ya mabo hu say wa win bia busy da no. Yakubon ma na win na wa obegu nanimas. And in Guasia no na ato no. Because ena me no ho yi sisi ya brother. Ne Mahama pese o ye bia as a leader. O wo tumi so tumi ye me bwana. Because and parliamentarians here or more 85 or 86. Parliament on more background on the call. Because I did one man moka, other saying as I said no moka, say what I said no moka, and this is body by it automatically no. Mahama is governing this country as a one-party state. Yeah. What in America? Yes, of course. Say a more majority, absolute majority no more. Yes, Mahama is governing this country as a one-party state. Because as a one-party state, no mean say there, a party back open that, but say no, a mamoya who we there. I say party back open there around it. At every in parliament that, on here, every 276 MPs said. One third of the parliament, and one third. Yeah. It was said, we be the only piano. As I said, on one so 180 something MP for now, put mom. Maybe the one need Momudi Joe. Yeah, I don't know. And you want me Momudi, you know, your back front bench on Becano, and I, yeah. It was no support motion. Say, you go for Kunima making a brompoda, yeah. You go for Kunima Papa in a proper, yeah. But the parliament will, but I said, I'm here plus the parliament. Now, essentially, I don't want to go for you now, or I support. Because, for no, when him say, for your majority, you know, everything go. So, what was that? Yes. It's a parliamentarian, Moses, say, because him, they have been passed to Madimu, Apo Biukakra, because one of the only Yasa argument. Unya Mubase 70 Krampo. Out of 180 something, Unya 70. That's no blame. Baby, no argument. I'm discussing. David. Now, so Obi to say, I always say, Samson, I was not parliament that's 20 something years. One year argument of parliament that was also hope because body for who is there. Samson, or the more Musca, the Tom money near you know, or what parliament. Obey my ministers know him left to right. Mahama, Yakobo money winning, and also winning and only a tip on cost of war. If you have Mahama ministers, Obi to say, a former Doma Central Omwembi, what is it, a satisfied chartered accountant. Yes. Or a doctor, I said, or no, obey a minister for health. Now say ye set a person left what the Ubia Baby listener, say what Brammy Takan. Brother, who said, sure, no, and you're very vast. Now, me can't watch the Guapono. Now, be to say, Shelly, are you Koboki? I led the whole United Commonwealth of Nations on the year almost second. Now, on you know, as a foreign affairs minister, you see a Pobia, you see a Okuja to Abrapa. Yeah. Yes, I was here. And Mahama, so who say, I want you on only go to voice. Yes. And he, Omona Okasa, Obudia. Obi to say, as I made another media argument, you a fellows in the platform. Nagabi make a solid argument. Who Pobia Manaka for that gold border. Gold is like economy. Yes. And a gold is like money. Already finance. Obia what finances I say. What the value of money I say. I dear gold yet me time and time. Now Obia Manaka for Nanwa. We say just mere communication director of your party. I also call law school from Bobia any Assembia. The Bia the trader or come for Chatushikata, the law, on one Kazaka, the only member of the was. Now, and this is what I said, one more thing, and they are Mamu. Until the beyond Betna could just one of my papa. Now, Mahama, or no, who say, Ghana for your every free. But Canada. But me, any Rasta will hit it. Yet the name I refuse. But the do one, no, Yari refuse. Especially when more refuse. say pon fire sa professors no ne sa doctors no nti na dem send video bi ma so timi bot here
nya montie ans
and do we are for more than so bo sa video na ti na brother man kasa yi papa okay yeah it is social media so I fight o fight o social media so see as o person Mahama 2028 yentu abantia na MPP mra power one party because of who that professors na omo benya hu o adodo de no omo aduma na ya mo yes yeah party ama sa microphone because me Bawumi be president on appoint me as a CEO because I don't qualify omo na Bawumi be appoint omo as a CEO so that CEO was looking at that solid MPP aban 2024 e bi na yes ama we ya ye friend no Kwabra Frimpong former minister yeah that for no and Bawumi benya position of appoint but and you opposition NDC oye normal enyen omo mekasa but ye na ye tiase ye san kwase fo ase bi aba no ba ye nya hwi firi mu no ye nya position bi afiri mu ye na ye party and am ka say unya mra otie that video na me send ma well but media udia say Mahama obetutu Ghana so obeyam Ghana from na am support me support 100% I concur because yeti am support ni say ye ya mana kwa say Ghana for bi ya bi ye say MPP wa ba mu a upon the MPP yama Ghana timamu fo nyina no omuhuru say eye Ghana ni omampanyin no asade say oye mo say na do ba ya na otu amafo school fees ye hu campaign wo platform say omo printing receipt ni mo ba ko mo ma me no papa no na omu ka ke so mbe because wo di way say wo baby ami because say kwa me kwa say papa ko me nim ni pado do mo ko Frempe college and the nim ni pado do mo ko adisade alance mo ko ayi o akra preseko wo yi kuro ni nyina ho no ma say papa ko nye kuro keto o so ni pa obenya o mo ko Frempe college no o mo nu fai wow wo ka say that ma ayi na do ba ya abrante bi wonya achimota yes that was sunya kira nye kuro keto o so kuro ni nyina ekoja na kwan wo bus stop mebo a true pa na do ma obi a oti tumu etimi attend school in Accra or attend what say aburu guest obi free ebi a kakura free so no want me and on try to because you can say choose school a won ko choose because no o papa na so mami
now you can say for papa no bro papa private car or do go school bra
well and you don't try and venture but na do make sure say who stand nipa na o papa no mami what is the one man say you want me back for even local area from the school no o mu say certificate you very good so bet mako akraka o bet mako achimota o bet mako Frempe o bet mako opokuwa e me do buy ankofo no o ma be ya o mo say e na do asede say o mo ko school free because na do one the kai o panka onye and the integrity and honest politician and you dishonest politician Omabanyima Mahama oba assembly okay the campaign message na ya ni dey yet 24-hour economy
yeah and the main campaign message 24-hour economy
ade no buy wo jona 24-hour economy na me kwa de say Mahama wo na ka minim say Ghana for mabunu ne maya ne mrantia o mo kro mo nyina no na o ma bi so ko school ya mo be kwa ko pe market atena no makoton ebo momone ni go
24 hours
because the wo so ba be 24-hour economy ama Ghana for na say 24-hour economy say obi kwa ko si market wo tumu obi kwa ko si market wo mi krom say kwa Friday kwa na di be ho no na ka so ko si 24-hour economy market wo ma why na kwa ko na ho data na ma ko to ade na nya bia kwa no market akese kwa kwa wo Ghana kwa no makola no ne ayi ka ji ta market no ne ayi na wo no no ne to no mana but unim say Mahama be pay me si bia fa so abe boga na ka so Ghana for adini nyan ko ho professors ne CSOs and all these people o ma adini ko ho o ka ti so na wa ka say me ba be 24-hour economy market won't me nya na wa ko say Ghana ska say be ya o bet manya ne 10% ati dia bi so enu bi no de ko fa ba say o ba be 200 day schools our for no our start 200 day schools no schools na bita so wo wura mo so ba wa yi bani because wa ji won to ba dia wi the same thing na wa start so o ko si 261 24-hour economic market won't mean because I can't 2 years and some months nti what you know what they are so for man now what in trouble by visibility studies na what in trouble to be na what trouble because I don't know Mahama did not come purposely for Ghanaians but Ghana for no o margin no for die o se senyo Emma or the foot running throw catch them say why president that na why no ma bebre wanya de Mahama na muji to say what first president he was not good president in Ghana for man find out time for the wrongs na ya no be the who said on me correct wrongs but the ya what man we no kwai akwa what the Ghana box side e come man ni MPP for buy on beji free nsem no enti no ba ya one ma akekwa pa ma odi sa da man no minister black voter na yi na dia man ni because when he said kwai of us dey ni na man ni no enye kwa papa so about if within NDC gwambo so muji president fufu no onye Mahama crop on bi na ko ye neutral person o ba sa no man you obeje Ibrahim Mahama sem
yeah of course say you probably bring na see don't get your comment your momo man would you say bibi ni akire say bebre
o ya go say ya mama me say me 4 years there mama fa nye bibi 10 times na be ya by 4 years na me ko na me na tuma gada no ma say be nyana fe ya de ko ifi but okay who say send ya what me afen ya me anim ati mra tan ni azan connection yes see prove it beyond reasonable doubt
yes
so what man prove beyond reasonable doubt that's how to the chairman to me tuma Ibrahim Mahama on church amount to me e wo bibiam Ibrahim Mahama on any pan church amount to me na even go ma make say we go ban to ayi apia stadium say na ena idru ba bia na me nua kan fo na nkasa nkasa me send ye ho yaw me send ye ho yaw to the sense that ye na ma pan ma sedo Mahama eni nua no bu ye say ye the new rap said you can be Ghana. Okay? I benio me what about but I'm going straight forward to the west. I beni to me catch the Asantini said, would you town would you then ya MPP na beto Obama no. Meanwhile, on no so I beni no so himself. What the appointed for now when you come on say we this na beto Obama. Now we are say we find any choice. Oko America, you Republicans were strong go. And everywhere in this world, party you can say this is political party. Every political party has one stronghold. But and this need me down on a stronghold. What would Ghana for 30 something years? Every can say, as at the former to Obama people, they depend the money. Now, who or the plan said, what are we doing now for Obama? Would be Anna, what's not good, that's about 30 something years, depend on what's what you have. Not the same water Nino, or no, Nino. No, the party actually remember 30 years, no, but the company, so much as I know, the Jacuzzi or water closet. What you mean them with live good life. Or no ban about Baker, so no see or Jim Mahama and the purpose. Or no, as I talk about Umunya. Now said you baby as anti-Maya people probably, but the Abomaya people. Yes, no money purpose and got closer than Babaker. Come on, so, and this is what my conscience has on margin. And you know, I feel stadium, and this is one people. I'm listening for.
Your record. Your record.
Yeah, that be I said on the car was here. Open Jama. Now that I said no to car. Being in a because when it was for my chevy, it was because I got on the other. And I said no so any no what the whole Jennifer. Because of one and no did home. And the idea what did you know say. The Nipan of Hoboma, or Casa Muntaka Hoboma, being in it because of the Comutaka was Renisca. And I guess that was one of us says, or Tim consider one before, or Tim consider one DC for, but was still one DC for before, or Mumba Papa. That is Uncle for over the Kanka Neku, you did your back on me, what a man of Parliament. What do you mean? Nipata Karamukan, what a parliament no can was him. What is it? What a parliament can say, because we are this Obama, when you come and go, that was said, as at the man moving. As at the man who never do a lot of just as I said, who be just as I won't go home. What I say, and the idea of the main custom said, Mohobon, Yamuyari, first Papa and Yamu. Nanya just don't pass on the car. Mahama offers never Bawa Mutari. Was it Andy for boys? Sir, I was now on Banning Channel. A moment for Papa. And she just also said, anticipate that you pass a poem. I pass a poem for Magna Yapi. Like me for party, Papa. Well, wait until Mahama, who said, ono was our followers no more than 6 million or mutu abama no nti Mahama adwene say 6 million na mutu aba omutu kwasi aba omu nwene ho mutu aba anyhow no say obeye yi onye yi obeto abama no saa nkrofo no na Mahama hu say ampa kwasi aba Uganda na o manani bere na say MPP so o mu ya bufu na ese nkoto aba automatic no be president na wa ba be president Mahama ye no obey president by default because now only me say because na say ka wo brother oda wo kwa gina mo ati asesen say you can say yam fan nimdie any adwene a de hihye man na ye penipa man abu man a na di Bawumi agina ha na di Mahama agina ha wo say makoto aba Mahama wow azama ya ya dabi o gina ho me gina ho sadam tiyam ya say na obi a so di 24 hour economy ba ma wa nkrofo kwa ko chechi dem say aduma meme ye no eno abi na wo so beye enti say ye nurse na wo e bia hospital wo nurse 20 ye de 40 be ba be kan no ma ye say 60 enti automatically no say meme from clinic na wo honom na say hospital na wo honom no say nipa 20 na ye mo ma minim say ye ba be fa nipa 40 aka ho ama ya for shift wo ba ya o mu kro wo da ko pa say yi wo ma who we asa be ka say me kwa ko 24 hour economic market na kwa ko ya juma ho ma ko tono Mahama wa hu me say nyame Mahama wa hu say wa we ya obey the first president say wa wu for the next 5-10 years ago na Mahama ofia ko ya so president obe pass or ya opposition president I'm very sure pass Mahama wa ko yelia me bas maybe that president no ya because wa should that pass about the book Ghana because all can say 24 hour economy na your policy na uba be see what the thing market supermarket yes supermarket ko ba o beka se bia e no dey fast say dey tete kwa me kuma CGN PC ni eya na ma ho ya and dey kwa say kenim say ne ombe ya ama ho ya dum ho say from ma say supermarket akesa kese ho mo then no be na usi kwa mboda say kenim say and dey ama ho bet ma ya dum because me can say sunya ko si mo to say ife enum ni Bennett no ma kesa kese wo kuma bi dia na ka say ama ho ya dum ho 24 hours nya sa wo na sa also kwa ko si supermarket o kwa ko si market public market na o kwa ko si am ya tomatoes ni ka kwa ka chem say 24 hour ati me dia se o me dia se na so no Ghana no so e benya ma for professors are they supposed to know better no more support sa this useless thing because the only man say e be man brown envelope na Ghana for bo mo say man na wo ka sort no oji jobo no ka sort oji ni jobo all in the name say we so be 24 hour market enti abranche na wo ko to abama Mahama 24 hours 2024 abana wo se wo ba benya aduma ye 1 3 be ba mo aye bi no Mahama so fe na waka sort no and now so Mahama so for 4 years out of free power enti automatically no 4 years ni na no onya aduma nye that's all serious yes because that 4 years now MPP what I say oba azobo mo oba do di 111 agenda 111 na ka mo na mayonnaise boya mo ma bet na fi na ka ya start edi mo kom kakra akta mo say Mahama so the 160 but no buy automatically no upon we school na ya post sa ono na agenda ni so ba be see market na market no be see and sa na wo no o ma me ko tu batch ba na dia ko market na do na wa ko na wa ton wa be university no then na ni wa be nursing training na ma me ko tu batch ba anumra o dia small na dia ko na wale market na do akoton. This is the type of people who are leading this country. This is the type of leader who we have as a president. On the Ghana. It is a real statistics. Some can say, oh, people want to Maya or Mike Wofama, and you cannot also clear. Mama, because Mahama, I didn't say Ghana, because Mahama, why politics that and why politics that channel. Why your politics there, or your politics never go out to Mamco, but why your politics are only better than Ghana for, to Yamubo to the Ayano or New Year. Mahama, so be to honor Ghana need to hop, and I say, oh, be our Ghana near Ukra mean, what's the MPP for you forget them, some people, oh, you mistake, what you want their own say. And this near Ukosa like, our officer Mahama, Bam, what the young man, who young man yet, and who young man yet, who's a young man yet. And you want to say, Mahama bow by and say, oh, Godfather, dear, or bet my boy, my name, well. Then this idea, who are this in now, who say you do, you know. I just say about a 24-hour market amount. O market near zin we no when you be ai adia e dey bet me 24 hour economy na ban Mahama say one year that 160 was so 1 agenda 111 was one year nti wonya no automatically no ka wo a wawie nursing training no ka wo na obenya dwuma yɛ bet Mahama se wonye nti Mahama se wo no de ne obeya ne se obesi market ama na wakoto no ma wo ha na uwie university na wako se wo free Sandema wako Sandema market wakoto ade wo wahu adina ye di bu mai adwene wei na ye di bu o man Ghana na se ye ka se o man no ye wo low IQ eya na nipa be tiase na Ghana ni o tia bro tia so no was say the Mahama ye nyina no Mahama is doing well. What kind of well is Mahama doing? Mahama well papa be na o ye o Ghana. But ye de said Mahama be continue up Ghana for say ama o mo akiro mo a ye so say o nua so he ba bu ma those days no mo see that for no yakopon ye o mo papa na say o ye o mo fira ho hie mu a o mo asati a o mo nya bibi e bi a o mo didi da no no mo fira fi nyame enti enu bi e na yakopon de Mahama ba because Mahama de Mahama trust mu say na ndi akufo ado ye nyina nti Mahama say wo ya we ya ye be grow leaders a on be lazy leaders the reason is say wo ku ho ya gen e bibi papa maga na ni say gen onyi wa ye obeto agbati yawo enti obeto agbati yawo dia ene ma me punish still because aba no benya do dia me dia enti Mahama de o punish ye o be punish ye papa bet o go ahead and punish us because we deserve it. Ghanaians deserve it because me dey can say Ghanaians are harvesting the fruit of their own labor. Because how can you tell him say obi ba be sacrifice say dem dika ka kire we aba be fa oba say bi o ka won di mi hwe no apushi no ena bebre ko fa nya nyuma kese mu dida bebre nya school papa ko bi mo papa ko outside the country ni nya free estate yesa ka won di mi achieve sa level no na say stay na for ma me for ko apia for et mi sa ko nya mi anim ko to abati ya sa aban na adana Mahama be kunu ho nti Mahama de wo hu sa adu ban me pompa ese Dr. Bawumi aso be suya ne hard way na wa hu ne ya be nya Ghana Bawumi aba won hwe ba bia e be nya ama na mamuanya da che papa now forget about many Ghanaians are ungrateful, especially people who are dying, who are in deplorable areas, especially in Myanmar or other parts or more than problem solved or more family because the only man say you fight me you better man oh yeah then you better man there you continue to suffer in that particular area and most of them are still suffering under their own party and their party and you're not so change you because say 1 year 8 months Mahama you're not so sorry system no and change it at a because and the part to born may say by end of this year Ghana for better diesel ni petrol almost 30 cedis per liter na me pese emrasa because e pasa na abua Ghana for ana e be bua yen so e do no mako se me so me de ade no kwa se ma to na boarding na Ghana ni wa tuma to ho kire wo dia wo be se tinki aka se Yakopon bi ene bo wo di wo free Muslim na wo ko ja Yakopon na chiri di no Yakopon fan se na wo ma se adwene ho se no yes I go back to 2028 then go drawing board so then go fa Bawumi amane mra megie di sa mum na Ghana for pay because Ghana for afre Mahama so megie omo be rather no eye adwenboni ene you were saying bonuya ya but the sininkai ene ma Mahama nya kwa be president bunia mami for sina ade asana so odi me baba mi ba koda why okay that's baby
me da so ase Ibrahim ya men ka Ibrahim na yete ne nka no ai efi ha de amanfo ye frɛ wo fie we mu a nokore ne nsempa nko a ene ye de ba but mi nuanom nke be me de se meto aso ya transi ache ye twa more than 2 hours we are getting almost 4 hours 3 hours enti me de wo besia na o kyerɛ Yankopɔn ya adoma ya sign ahia medin no ensesaye medin ene Ras Media on Facebook, YouTube and on TikTok meden chiakese ema paake meden chiakese ema miwia with some coffee or hweyen ewo Facebook ena meden chia so ema miwia Ivan Sankama miwia ba Vivian Kuma ma me akwaba na me ya afrempoma ma me amanya akon ena miwia ba Esther K Barima me chacha adofo nyina da adofo nyina ase me de mo besia na ansa na mekono mo hwe Dr. Bawumi ne video way yenhwe video no si na wante me nkan bie ma na kire se ochina ye besia hia until we meet again adios makramo
se abaya ye kotui eye mini o mampenyi dada ene ye pri se ye betra kodi enya sa na Send a campaign equal. Every say, who say, Sa campaign over Lusu Koto. Enti bibi kakra na ne buefu ati se ene wako didi osofo ontem we didi ahemfo ontem we didi imams ontem we didi CSOs for ontem osi omunyina omuye hypocrites what we did that saka say na omampenyi dada simikasa se ahemfo imams or so forth, CSOs, omoye hypocrites. What you may be that? And says so did the electoral commission at him. And then so say MPP government, a foolish government. Hey, what you may be that? Where Kasa ever free or my opinion that we must have limited at least some standards of decency in the language we speak as politicians. Election year and yet intended is about ideas. Only ideas are then you insult people. But what ideas are you present your ideas? Yet you will bold solutions to problems. We say a foolish government, but we have created more jobs than your government. We have built more roads than your government. We have built more interchanges than your government. We have built more bridges than your government. We have built more factories than your government. We have built more schools than your government. We have built more hospitals than your government. We have built more courthouses than your government. We have built more sanitation facilities than your government. We have built more social beds than your government. We have built more sports facilities than your government. We have built more fiber optic cable than your government. Every sector of the economy, we have done better than you. Now see a foolish government. Every sector, anything I may say, Uji Hundia, Branaya debate, one-on-one, many will play, debate. Uji Hundia, Branaya debate, one-on-one. Osro.